Was it?
Yeah, this is the one from Storage Tech and from Unsorted.
I
Um,
paused it.
I
Now I'm
think he
gonna
fixed
unpause
that.
it. It should definitely fuck up. It did it.
I think he fixed that.
No, he did it. It's like I used the newest game. It happened with that.
It's really.
Oh, interesting. Also, apparently there is an issue where if you break the mix box and then click the start button at the right time, it will eject a loose item.
Wait, let me paste my shit.
Must be pasting shit.
Oh, okay. There's a new scam that I didn't download, so I'm gonna download that. Paste that one instead. Um, what's up, bro?
Hello.
Hello.
It's just the one with all the external handling. Comfy.
Uh,
Yeah. I need to replace that.
Ah.
I will say this thing is quite cute. I mean, like, I don't even know if it's worth having this one pasted because it's the exact same as this one, just without all the input handling.
Yeah.
I'll leave it for now. There's no reason, like, we have infinite space. But yeah, right now we're just pasting a whole bunch of storages and what the hell is that? Yeah, we're just copy pasting a whole bunch of store or inputs to kind of give us a kickstart.
Well, pasting, you say. I'm building from image.
Oh, my bad.
Oh,
I think we can call that pasting by hand.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Are there other inputs of intrigue? Let's see what we have in our archives. Fast input chest unloader. That could be worth looking at.
Yo,
Corner
what about the
input.
corner player input?
That's the one from Corner Storage by Bipham. Yeah.
I never
I don't
looked at
understand.
this.
It's cool. A little large, but
there's also this monstrosity. Holy fuck, my game is black now.
What is
Got to
this?
restart. What was that?
Should I paste my thing in between? Like over here?
I can't
Sure.
read this. I don't know. I'm just gonna.
wherever there's space, and like preferably in the line with all the rest of the input.
Yeah, I pasted. It didn't. It's good. Oh, thanks.
Is your entity data sync off demo?
No. It's on. Wait, let me check again.
Welcome in, welcome in.
No.
I'm from 1.21. Maybe that's why it's looking weird.
Oh,
That
possible.
would be part. Yeah.
Yeah, indeed, data sync is on.
It's probably the instance version then.
Oop.
By the way, it's pasted properly. That's
Oh.
nice done. Wait, I mean, I'm looking at it. It's not that bad.
Not
Like the
biased.
size wise. Yeah.
Mm,
But I can vouch. It is like fully idiot proof. Like fully idiot proof.
this one is.
Yeah. Like you can put shit in it and it will go to right place.
Let me try.
Yeah. Very perfect.
And with
Okay, I'm gonna start the second row of inputs.
actually inputting shit in it.
One thing I've noticed is people really like the input to be manual.
What do you
Yeah.
mean manual?
Yeah, I think you mean like you need to like click a button to start it.
Yeah.
my guy,
and,
where's my
break the
shit?
Yeah,
mix
I
box and
think
everything.
that this
I
is a
think it's
feature.
flown off to the ground.
Honestly, I think like it feels very important to me to have the player confirm that they want to input what they put into the system. Like it's just a layer of security against uh, inevitable stupidity.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think the automatic box breaking at least is nice, but not like starting it.
Yeah, that's fair
What?
because you always pull the box out. Assuming I think automatic box breaking, if it doesn't go into the chest, has the same problem. Because like some people will just like have the box when it breaks go straight into the system and start sorting. I think that's a problem, but
Yeah, if it's just going into like the chest buffer and then you just like starting it, I think it's fine.
yeah, I agree.
It's preferable even.
Yeah, I think that's a nice feature.
Because like you're not really gonna want to have like all your stuff into one box for most processing systems. You're gonna want to kind of split it out across multiple boxes anyways. Even if you're gonna
Mhm.
bin it.
Let's see.
Interesting. Why is it not getting triggered? It was supposed to trigger this comparator, but it isn't. It isn't triggering. Why?
What are we missing for inputs?
It's triggered in my single player. Why doesn't it trigger over here?
Simple cart eating one, sure. Oh, this thing is tiny. Holy.
Yo, the chest cart
What?
eater.
Yeah. I figured I'd include it.
I was thinking earlier that would be kind of good to go into like an entity splitter or something.
Yeah.
Just just really straightforward way of doing stuff if you don't want to have boxes as input.
Wait, you can have a pressure plate on top of a piston like that? Yo, what the? I think you can
I feel like
try to.
maybe the first question worth answering is what's like the target, like what's like what do we want the output of the input to be? Like if we want it to be just boxes, then we should probably go with like the normal, like you put your loose items into a box in the UI and a chest kind of thing. But if we wanted to handle loose items, we could do the chest card thing. If we wanted to load loose items, then we got to talk about that. So I think that's a good place to start.
Hmm. I kind of like the idea of like having the splitter in mind. Is that what you
Having
were
this-
kind of asking?
Oh, yeah. So basically putting it into shulker boxes, making sure everything's loaded.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm on board with doing it like that. Anyone have a desire to do something besides that? We'll take that as a no. All right. So we'll do a system that is designed to handle, or will always output shulker boxes and never output loose items. And then I guess the next question is, I'm assuming we would want a bulk input of some kind.
Definitely.
At this point, I think it's worth shouting out the token input concept that I did, which is over by me if you're curious, where you can have one chest for both bulk and mixed box input. I don't know if this is of interest to people, but worth mentioning in this junction. Basically, what
How do
happens?
you handle the output?
Yeah, so basically the way this works is if you input a whole bunch of boxes, which I can do, you leave a space in the chest in between your bulk and your loose items. And so when you click start, it puts a token into that space, which it then uses to split the output into two different categories. So you just leave a space there, and then you click start. A token goes into that slot, and then after it hits that token, it switches to the bulk. And then it outputs those into two different categories.
Interesting.
Yeah, the big advantage of this is just instead of having two chests, you have one chest, so it makes the input smaller. It means, at least, yeah, depending on the person, it can be better or less error prone because they don't have to remember to put it into two different chests, but that's really dependent. Yeah, so it's just like a different way of doing things. Alternatively, we could just do the normal, have two different chests for it. Or I guess the other question is, do we want to set it up like a kind of like a more Chinese style wiring where it's like you throw everything into you just like dump your inventory into a hole, and then we could set up it so that it loads all the items after that. If you input loose items, Um,
That's really interesting. Kind of like,
mean-
didn't Raps have like, kind of wanted to do something like that for Cart MAS?
Well, yeah, because cart MIS it just works well with an item pool, and certain input handling methods do as well. So, for instance, like the ideal splitter or an entity splitter or something with varstack separation. But everything else, so everything that is box based, you're just adding complexity because you have to load it into boxes, and so what I would say anything but the Chinese input.
Oh wow, okay.
doesn't like that.
Yeah,
I
the
think-
input's just a hole in that case.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's more of like the input handling we probably would be doing. I do think that there is space for improvement. Like I said, I think having a player verification before you start the sorting process is important, and so we could design like an entity pile one like system that requires player verification. So they like throw their tool in. There's like some way for them to say stop, give me everything back. It's a little bit worse, I would say, than just having a chest, but it doesn't exist. So, could be fun to bring into existence.
Also, I have a question. Why does this clocks works in my single player and doesn't work on the server?
What
Like this
clock?
compare, like over here, it's supposed to send the item into this dropper, but while sending it, this comparator gets an update and gets powered on in my single player. But why doesn't it gets powered on and is it could be locational or anything like that? I don't know.
What is like what's turning it off? I guess like how fast is the item being sent through this dropper?
Oh, ATM tick.
So if it's like it just I guess it's more pertinent to ask how long is the item in this dropper for? Because it's in here for 8 game ticks, then the comparator
No,
won't
no,
ever
no,
turn
no.
off.
I think it's wait. Shit. I just wait. I don't have that. So. Alright,
Hello.
Hello.
I have a question. Are you guys wiring stuff in a server?
Yes, we are. Yeah.
Okay. Can I join in?
Yeah. We're on Soontech CNP.
Okay. I don't know. Can I join it or?
Yeah, it's
Yep.
everyone can just it's got to be on the Soontech server as well.
I'm also part of the Soontex server, my guy.
Okay, perfect. Are you whitelisted on the server?
On a server, yes, but not the Soon CMP. I'm assuming that you're
Yeah.
talking about. Like, no, I'm not. No, not yet.
Okay, yeah. So you can request to get whitelisted there, then Willie or Denator can whitelist you.
Yeah, I have my hand on the keyboard. I have the key.
I got my hand on the keyboard too.
Yo.
Why?
I pasted it.
What's
Okay.
your IGN?
At the moment, it is wait, whitelist request, and then one sec. I'm gonna double check my username because I don't know it out of my hands. Here you go. It's in whitelist request on Soontech.
Nice. There you go. Alright, and then if you
Oh,
want
you
to,
won.
Okay. By the way, you guys are the same guys from like Storage Tech, roughly, right? If I remember correctly.
we're almost all of us. I think all of us are on all 3 servers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly that. Yeah. For those who I haven't met, nice to meet you. And for those who I already have met, yo. That's
Yo.
it, yeah.
Yo, do you go by Jack?
Yo.
Um,
Like, Soontech. What is the IP of Soontech? Let me check.
Should be
It's in server info.
Yeah. I'm looking for it. Server info. Here you go. Is it like? Hold on. There is also an SMP.
There is, yeah. Right now the
Do
items
you
are
guys-
getting through this. This is directional. If
you
they were
guys-
pot.
Do you guys actually play on it though?
This is direction.
No.
It's not directional if you do this, but they'll move through instantly every time. If it's a flat rail, this is directional, yeah. I've never played on the SMP. There are a couple people who do sometimes, but it's kind of dead.
Let's see.
But yeah, you can join that as well if you're interested.
How do I Discord link?
It's a great question.
Discord link.
Like link your
Yeah.
Discords into the chat
Yeah,
bridge.
because it says after joining the game on CMP will run. To link your IGN account with Discord, we will routinely purge whitelist members of those who did not do it. So like, yeah.
I mean, you just do /Discord link. Like that's the command that you run once you're in the CMP.
1 second. Soontech. It's in 1.21.4. No, man. I'm on 1.21.11. Damn it.
I think you can join from that version. I might be wrong.
No, incompatible client, please use 1.21.4.
Oh,
You
right.
would have to. Why
No, you can join. Like I'm joining for. You just need via Fabric Plus.
What plus?
Via Fabric Plus.
What is that?
Mod, I'm assuming.
That's
I'm assuming as well, but like via Fabric Plus. Okay, is it by some guy called Florian Root or something?
I don't remember the author, but it
Can you
should
double
be
check
the
real quick? Because there are multiple
Yeah.
people. It's via Fabric Plus, it says. Via
Yeah.
Florian something.
Yeah, that's the guy.
So, okay. Mhm.
Yes, it does.
I am supposed to actually work on a project, but I'm not going to. Quite literally because I don't want to at the moment.
Valid.
Mood.
Yeah. Like according to the guy, like the owner above me, right? That's like the owner of the SMP. Like I am working too slow. Okay.
Tough.
Keep in mind I'm disabled.
Where is
So, like-
Andrew's mods for the server? Does anybody know?
It should be in
It's in-
server. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought.
What mods? And
He's a
user
mod.
mods. What mods are they? Like what do they do?
A whole bunch of different stuff. It's like 20 mods or something. But it's
Oh,
in
here
the
we
server
go.
info mod pack. Yeah.
Server info. Public.
I'm gonna link the mods in text for voice. It does have Axiom in it.
Okay. What else does it have?
I don't know.
You can
I
look
was
at
just
it.
responding to Rodon.
Look at the
What is
mod pack.
RS multimeter as requested? Pixel map note if you have rolled edit in your mods folder, it will crash because rolled edit CUI is in this mod pack. Can you move either rolled to fix? Okay. Damn. Okay.
Ooh, I like this Denator.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah. Is this the one from? This is
Yeah.
the one.
Is this a
Aphelion. Oh my
Leon?
god.
It's like it's straight copied. But yeah.
This is crazy.
I just quickly grabbed it.
Wait.
Okay, now I can join. Let's go.
Yeah, okay, this is-
Holy. What is this? Oh! Oh, this is the server. where I
Yeah,
saw Ghost play on. Ghost?
Go.
Oh my.
I was amazed by V3.
By the way, what is the best deck that's in here? Just so I can like take a sneaky peek at it.
I don't know if there is best tech in here. One of the kind of
What is
big
the most
projects
advanced?
is the soon MS,
Yeah.
which you can use the slash waypoint command and just click it. And you can it'll pull up a user interface that you can kind of like find things by using the
Wait,
waypoints.
what?
The
Waypoints?
slash
How do I get them?
slash waypoints.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, and what does this do? Open map, TP to spawn.
Press
Yes,
on
if you
like
go,
waypoints.
look at the waypoints,
That says waypoints.
Yeah.
and you can
Oh,
look at all.
school temp storage. Holy. Okay. And
Yeah.
are there like more than this? This is
There's-
so cool, by the way.
There's a lot of pages to it.
Yeah. And Tsunamis development, that's the one I want to see personally.
I think there's a better. Do you remember what the waypoint
Okay.
comfy
Holy, what is this?
for like the actual storage? It's in a mess. Yeah. If you go to like the third page, there's one with a diamond icon that says Cinemas, and that'll take you to the actual storage. But please don't grief anything.
No, I'm not. But be very careful for like who you like. Tsunamis layout, is that it?
No, it's just Cinemas.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Encoded HAV development, Tsunamis with a diamond. Yes, here you go. Oh, this is the progress?
Yeah, this is what we've had thus far.
Okay. One thing I will ask you guys is what is the stuff, right? That's like what specs does this thing so far have?
So this
What do you
can
mean
be-
spec?
This
Like
can
what
there's a
what can
thread.
it
There's
do?
like a project thread for this project in the
Yeah.
Suntech Discord. I would highly recommend checking that out because the projects have changed.
What is the
over
Syntech
time.
Discord?
It's the Discord that you requested the whitelist in.
One sec. I have so many servers. 1 second. One sec. Storage catalog and then what was it again?
Suntech.
Oh yeah, no, Suntech. Yes, you're right.
Yeah. So just look through the project dev. If you really have questions, you can do ask for help or you can ask. Yeah, that's probably fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
project development and then Tsunamis.
Yeah, we should probably get back on topic though for required.
Yeah, let's get back to the input.
Yes. So what is the plan?
So right now we're going to be working on designing a storage input. We were kind of figuring out with people what sort of things we wanted to design around. That was kind of what we're working on right now.
Cool. Okay.
So right now we know that we're going to be doing shulker box based inputs, and that we don't want to do the hole in the floor style input because Dnator gave adamant veto.
Come on, Dnator, rethink it.
So we'll probably do a chest based input that takes shulker boxes, and then we need to figure out what we're doing with these items.
like Yam's input, kinda.
Yes. I don't say that.
Okay.
Yes, it's here though.
When who is here?
So when TPS is here, it's just
Why?
a joke. It's just a joke.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So you have.
Should we probably
Few
start
other-
with the UI? Do the UI first.
Yeah. That's a good
Yeah.
idea.
How do you want the UI to look like?
Is the question. I mean, we have a lot of different options here. If we wanted to just take a
You
look.
want to know what my requirements are for the inputs?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. I want it, like you said, to be shulker based, to have a automatic and manual mode for the node blocks. And I would also like a, what do you call it? Help. A high capacity. So like one chest of shulkers. No. I want to have like at least 2 to 3 chests full of like that has like a capacity, right? So that the storage doesn't always need to be on for the inputs. Like if you have a gazillion boxes, right? I want to be able to not run the storage and have it somewhere stored in the inputs, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Those
Fair enough.
three.
Yeah. So adding a cache.
What is a cache?
It's like a temporary storage. So it'd be like a few double
Oh,
to store boxes.
kind of. Oh, kind of like RAM.
No,
Almost.
a cache is
RAM
like
and
a
access
little.
memory, but then
No, it's RAM would be like you need a sorting method for it. A cache is more just like a chest that's empty that you put things in temporarily for a short
yeah,
period.
yeah. Then it's more like a cache. What I mean.
Yes. I kind of like this input layout here. It's like symmetrical. I think it could be interesting.
What's your Minecraft name?
It's unfortunate.
Can you quickly just go where you're at right now? I'm gonna go into spectator. Unfortunate. Here you go. This one? Why do you like it so much?
It's just symmetrical, and I've not seen someone wire it before, other than obviously this example of it.
I have made this before, but then with stairs instead of almost.
Cool. Oh, this uses a CUD too. That's cool.
Yo.
What does it detect?
Next, the shulker box.
A question. Why don't we just replace this with like this with stairs? You guys like this more or less? That's my question for you.
Nice.
I like it more personally, but what do you think?
I'm kind of. I don't really care one way or the other. I think stairs look a little better, but
yeah, no. Like elegance is part of the job, right? If you want to make the highest tech possible,
sure.
That's the goal with the MS, right?
This isn't for the MS specifically, just so you know. This is just like a standalone project.
Okay.
Yeah.
But will we use it for the MS if it's that coded?
That's more of a question for the person who's leading the MS project, which is not currently here.
Who is it then?
That's for Kurisu. He's the one who leads the MS project, as well as he's the owner of the Suntech server right now, the CEO. Anyone veto using this layout for the input? Anyone have something else they'd rather use for the UI?
I have a little change in the UI.
Okay.
Which is instead of this note block being here, I'd like one of them to be start sorting and then one of them to be pause input.
Yeah. But then you would also need one like here, right, for the manual swaps.
No, that's the point. The start input breaks the box as well.
Well, it could be It could be like kind of how we were discussing earlier, where the box automatically gets, like the loose item gets automatically broken,
but then it would need to be smart. So when you have it still opened, it wouldn't like accidentally destroy the box.
Right. I have a wiring for a smart one.
Here, but it's very hard.
In one of the threads and share.
You can actually put the reader in here though. If you look at the affiliate input, you can actually break it with a composter from below.
Yeah.
Do you want to do that? Like, how ironically, how genuinely?
I really don't want to do that again. That was making that zero tick work was kind of a pain in the ass.
I mean, we could mostly probably copy the same thing, but
Yeah,
I would
that's
totally
fair.
understand. Yeah, because
I
it was
guess
actually.
the other issue that I had with that is that it's like kind of not worth it then to put the box into the chest, and I like putting the box into the chest after you break it.
Going
The
on?
players can, like look at it.
Yeah.
Wait, what's going on here?
Okay.
Oh,
So
input.
we're doing the same card thing, are we?
Oh, what's up, Datner?
Hey,
Hi.
Java.
Yo.
Signing an input right now.
You're wiring an input?
Yes.
Yeah, collect.
Holy shit.
Can you stream?
Yeah, sure,
Uh,
I'll stream.
Can someone stream?
Yeah, no, I'll stream.
Awesome.
Thanks.
And demo is too.
Here you go.
Also, we're in soon.
Uh-huh.
If you wanted to join, Data.
I don't remember the syntax stuff.
If you're on the server, we can get you access to it if you want. If not, no worries.
I think Andrew added me at some point before what I call the worst PR decision of his life.
What
Not
is
his.
it?
Yeah. Let me go find it.
You
But
are
is it
Supreme
just me or-
Council, so
Huh?
you are Supreme Council, so you have more power than us, I think.
I have what? I'm Supreme Council?
Yeah.
Yo, a
For
question.
what?
Can we change the white concrete to...
Oh, on Soontech. Oh, no.
Because it
I'm
looks
talking
more
about
like it looks better in my
no.
opinion.
The Soontech was very nice. I think. I was talking about calling this place STD2. I was like, Andrew, you're not gonna like. This is not what you want to call the place. But Storage Catalog is a lot better.
Yeah, a little more original.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's more that, like, you know, I enjoy talking with Andrew. I have a good time with Andrew. Not everybody does, and calling it STD2 when STD1 is associated with me is not going to do you favors unless you have, like, I think Rapscallion could do it, because Rapscallion has probably a little bit more, like, general street cred than I do. But I was like, oh man. It was so silly. So
He made a lot of silly decisions with this when it initially started.
yeah, I mean that's how a lot of these things go. I think the thing that had only frustrated me at the start was that I everything that Andrew had wanted to do, I had given him the opportunity to do, and on Storage Tech 1.
You guys, please
I don't think
use a smooth quartz blocks, okay? Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Is Soontech on 26 now?
It's on 21.4.
21.4. Okay, let me see if I have a client for that.
Also, Jeff, we're probably going to be wiring in all sorts of different blocks, and we can fix it at the end if it's really important, but it's going to become kind of a pain in the ass to police that, so I wouldn't worry about it.
Okay. But please use smooth quartz blocks as the normal blocks, because it just looks better in my opinion. Or glass, I don't care what glass.
Like I said, we can fix that at the end, but right now, it's going to be a little bit of a hodgepodge, and that's going to be okay.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Yeah.
You said 21.4?
Yes. Correct.
Okay. Were you all like playing on Soontech before?
Before what? See you, Rodin.
Oh, like just earlier in your life.
Oh. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I like started my encoded storage journey on Soontech and just like looking what other people were doing without trying to pry.
Without trying to
I
cry?
will-
Why would
Without
you
trying,
cry?
well, that too, but without trying to like annoy the people who were online. I mean,
No, I will annoy all the people, if necessary. If that means I can learn faster, dudes. I'm gonna be honest.
That is something an attitude a lot of people have started with, and it unfortunately goes very poorly for them typically.
Why?
And-
Like, elaborate.
Like Bear.
Huh?
Yeah.
Who is that?
He's a lot of it makes sense, and it's kind of important to mind the social P's and Q's, so to speak.
Oh
I mean,
yeah.
at
Okay.
the end of the day, you're talking to another human being, so
Yeah.
be
Gotta
mindful
keep
of it.
that in mind.
So
Teenager.
can we? Yeah.
Wait, so is it is the thought here that when this is powered, like after you flip this latch, the CUD activates, and then at that point it starts checking for player input, or what?
I don't even
Is there
know.
any way to detect if the
Okay.
shelter box is open or not?
Uh,
There are a lot of ways, yeah.
there is actually. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, I want
Yeah,
to do that for the
you do
shelter
an
box.
armor stand.
I think though. I think we decided against it because we're doing notebook for activation. Like, I just feel like having it with detection as well, but without a comparator readout, that's a lot. So
Wait.
as for the
Yeah,
COD,
I don't think there's a way we can do that.
I mean, we could use the CUD to set the latch for if there are like stuff in the shulker box or not. Is
I
that
was
what's
just
done in the other one?
yeah, that's true. But I was
Stone's
thinking if
doing
there's
some
a way
stuff
to
like that.
combine the
Wait,
COD
oh, is it
and the
With like the
latch
single
into the
access
same
stuff.
thing.
What was that, Digo?
So like he had like a thing with like the single access stuff, where he had a cut as well, for doing detection for is closed and had been like interacted with a single time, while still having like items in it
Mm-hmm.
or something like that. I can't remember. But it
Did
was-
you? Are you on the server right now, Ego?
No, I'm just hanging out. I'm like don't have an install for the correct version.
Oh, I mean, we'd love to have you if you wanted to join, but
Is it this one?
Mm.
I'm gonna need to be by someone. Oh, brilliant. Okay.
Okay, I need to detect if the chest is full or not, though.
That's all for that.
I mean, it's nice to know if there's stuff in the chest, if that's what you're saying, comfy.
Hmm.
It's kind of how, like, typically speaking, you would stop the input from triggering until.
Yeah, we want it to be the chest. What needs to be full, right?
Yeah.
And it's not comfy. It's checked.
I know. Comfy was asking in chat, do you really need it to detect? And I was responding to his question.
My bad.
Okay.
Yes, we needed to detect that basically.
This is typically, I think, how I've seen people wire this in the past as well. Where
Can't we
you
just have a redstone block next to this and
you could do a piston if you wanted to.
1 sec.
If you
0.
want to do that, but
Alright, sword.
Yo, can we get some color coding in here?
Oh yeah.
hopefully,
Yeah. What are we gonna use? Wool blocks?
Terracotta,
concrete
my
would
beloved.
terracotta works too.
I'm gonna use blue cyan, like light blue wool for my wiring.
For the bulk chest readout?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we can like.
Willie just like, is that the right color?
I'll use I'm gonna label
Is there something
1 second.
like what? Okay. So
I got you.
who removed the chests?
Baba Booey.
If I like.
A bulk input, a box input, and a hall input. Goal is to have like bulk input, loose item input into the box, and then mixed box input. Yeah, if that's what you mean. I don't know what you mean by haul input. I guess.
But like the chest hall, I think.
Oh, yeah.
I think there may be confusion coming because you have the bulk input, so it would make sense if the other was a chest input, but no. So bulk is like full boxes if you don't want to unload them completely, and then the other is mixed input.
That's a good clarification. Yeah. So like, because we're gonna be doing like var sorting or something after this. Not var sorting, but whatever sorting method it'll. Vor sorting? Yes.
Yeah.
What is vor sorting? No, seriously, what is vor sorting, guys?
Using splitters, mergers, and temp storages to produce
Put it in
full box
target.
types.
Oh, vor sorting is like var sorting. What is
Yes.
var sorting again? Just trying to produce full boxes from a splitter? Basically?
Yes, it's using splitters, mergers, or other splitting and merging technologies.
By the way, why choose? Okay.
It doesn't actually. This doesn't actually have to be var sorting. This could be like a parallel enloader as well.
I mean, what is the fastest way then? I have so many questions. Sorry.
You're good. I don't know how we would do that in like a convenient way. That sounds like it'd be really difficult to do, admittedly. I think
immediately. Like, what sounds really difficult to do?
putting the loose items, if they're inputted into the wrong chest, back into the shulker box.
Loose
Remember-
items back into the
Oh, that would be kind of cool. We can't really
That would
do
be-
What is
it
the-
here.
What is the best like memory like module that there is
I've been
now?
sweat.
Like, for storing data specifically, like binary data.
Typically, people use code boxes, but can we try to keep this more on topic? Trying to keep these more focused.
Right,
Yeah,
so-
Yeah, that would be awesome. So, what I'm really struggling with, how do we input like empty boxes? I think from the top makes a lot of sense. It's just way more convenient.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And then for the card, it's like you also need to take an output from it. So if you have dust here though, it's gonna activate a whole lot of these hoppers.
Yo, people, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Hello.
Why is there so
up?
many people in here?
We have an event going on. We're wiring an input right now for our main storage.
Okay.
What is this profile picture, bro?
It's me. That's the problem.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Nothing.
Bitch ass fuck.
So,
Let's not.
you guys are designing
got
an
it.
input for a main storage?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, last time I checked, that's what we were doing.
My bad, I didn't know. Guess.
Yeah,
Why are you target blocking this?
did we
Um,
really need all this wiring? Could we reconsider this for a second?
yes, we can
So-
definitely consider that. Yeah.
What is not good about all the other inputs that you're trying to, make better?
It's not about
Um,
making everything better, like,
It's just
we
doing
are
it different.
wiring
You're
something
just
together
you're just
and
making one.
what the features that we would like to see here.
Yeah, then if it adds features, that makes it better.
It changes features.
Change it.
Not
Huh?
like
Oh,
you
like-
can have a different like inputs, different features. Doesn't mean
Okay,
one's
okay.
the other. It's just trade offs.
What are these chests for?
Wait, can I give you guys a suggestion?
this
of
is a
cool
buff.
feature?
Buffer?
Go ahead. Yeah, it's like
So-
a cat.
You know, like I have yams, right? And when you put the
Uh-huh.
loose item boxes, when you fill it up with random items, it doesn't break itself. You need to break it anyways. Or is it?
Yeah, so you want to
or
add
just
up.
dumb?
You're asking for something very complicated.
Okay,
It's
just
just so.
one cup
What?
of
How's that complicated? So it breaks when it's full.
When it's full, or so if you're in doing
Not
player
full
manual-
by not full
Yeah,
by
yeah, yeah.
like just full
No, no,
filled with the
so-
random items.
This is with the player input, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was
You
intended.
cannot detect this unless you start using a CUD, and or what you do is you always try to input an item into the shulker box. You're always trying to input it, like you basically run an item on a clock in the shulker box
Oh yeah,
and
and
try to
then
put
when
the
it's,
item into it, and then when you can't put the item into it, then
Does
you
it
break
need to
the
be
box.
one-way tileable?
I mean,
You can just
No,
like
it does
bud
not.
like the piston, and then the updated closing the box will break the box for you.
You could do that, but then you won't break the box when it's full. Do you want to just break the
yeah.
box when you close it, or do you want to break the box when you can't
No, when
put
it's
any more
full.
items into it?
Can't you just wait? Gonna find a solution. Let me think.
Wait. What's your prompt here? Like, do you want to put items?
Excellent.
Uh-huh.
I think he was saying break the box when it's full,
Oh, you talking
which
to me?
is bad. It's like impossible. Not impossible.
It's
very
really
difficult.
difficult.
Yeah,
So
that's really
the
annoying.
layout for it is gonna be something like this. So you have your shulker box here,
Hey, are you
and
share
then you're
screen?
gonna have a filter here, and then you're gonna have a dropper here,
Oh,
right?
That nerd. He's not on the server, right? We'd have to
Oh,
start
okay.
there.
I can just build the layout.
no, I'm
Yeah.
watching from this guy share screen, the demo guy. He's
Okay.
AFK
Okay.
and exactly
So
in the spot.
you have, like, here you have to do some weird stuff. Okay. So oh man, do I remember how to do this? Let's see. Okay, wait. Oh, all of these droppers need to be filled with filter items. Let me. uh,
Can the dispenser put items into a shulker?
no.
No. Okay.
So all of
Yeah.
these droppers get filled with filter items.
That was satisfying.
Okay, and then here you can have, like you can have unstackables here, and then this is also a filter item. This one doesn't have to be. Actually, it is. It's easier to do if it's full. And then what you have to do is you have to or actually, this might be better if it's not full. I can't remember. But that's way.
I mean,
And then what you do.
I'm trying to
is-
think of a way.
Okay, so you have this, and then over here you're gonna have a CUD.
Yeah, that's already too big for a input.
I'm telling you
Yeah,
here's
yeah,
the
I know,
layout
I
of the thing you want. Yeah. Like it is a nice idea. It's just very hard to do in a space that isn't massive.
I mean, and like I can still stop being lazy and just break
Okay.
the box myself.
I mean, you can do it on
It's like-
close. Like you can set it up so
Close
that
is
on
way better.
close. Yeah, it'll
Nah,
be better.
And then it's like
But not always you're gonna have a filled inventory of random items. Sometimes you just put
Okay.
one.
so
Yeah,
you
yeah. So
have
when you
this.
close the box, it'll break if there's anything in it, and then it'll put a new box down. That's like pretty standard to do.
Do like a
So-
pressure plate that you stand on. You can walk away and it breaks.
So your CUD. Okay, I've made the CUD a little chunky here, but basically it'll work like this.
Oh,
wait,
shit!
no.
Now I cannot see because demo's back.
Oh wait. Okay.
Hello.
I screwed it up. Some.
Sorry.
Yo,
This is supposed to be
No,
like this.
I can show it to you. Don't
Oh,
worry.
no.
okay, thank you.
Okay, I've clocked it. But basically, the way that it works is that
Yeah, I get the idea.
yeah,
Filter-
you have to
filter.
power this, and you power this, and then you cycle an item in it, and then pull that item out. And if you can't cycle the item in, so basically if this comparator doesn't get you a signal chain at the right time, then you know that the box can't accept
Yeah.
a new item. But this is really, this is kind of, you can also just have a note block, you know?
I'm gonna try and figure out a better way, bro. Trust.
Okay.
I will try.
I have my faith in you, but it's pretty tough to detect if a shulker box is full if it's player input, or if a
Yeah.
player can't input more into it.
Why are we doing this random chest again? over here, like under the input.
This is because Jack was saying he wanted to cache the boxes.
Do I
So
need
you
to
can have
remove?
larger input batches as opposed to a whole bunch of little ones.
Is it an issue? Do I need
But
to
isn't
remove
that
something?
supposed to be on like before the like general input,
Oh
like before the unloader?
Yeah, sure.
Whoever's singing right now, can you please stop? Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Didn't say thank you. Okay, so trying to cache the boxes. I mean, I don't know if this is like, I don't think we should build this into the input personally.
Yeah, that's what I thought. The cache should be before the like unloader, like
Yeah.
whatever unloader you're using. So
And you can have a bypass cache option somewhere else. And you can have it auto trigger on a certain fill level as well.
Okay.
Right now we just need to lock this hopper some way until you click the input.
it's just need the precise timing. I always struggle with these examples.
Right now we're
No.
using a CUD to detect when items have been input because we can't get a readout from the box in this layout. And then after that, we'll probably use like some other thing to say like once it's closed. No, so it'll be like basic. Yeah, so we'll use some other way to detect when we need to break it. And the CUD's just the way
armor
we
stand.
get items in. Yeah, I was thinking armor stand made good sense if we can figure that out, but it would be annoying if you can put a start in the CUD. Yeah, that's a good idea. Items and is closed. Dinator is saying, and I think this is fine. We're kind of figuring out as we go what we want to do and what we can and can't do. It's a little bit of a mess.
Do anything. The question is, how badly do you want it?
Yeah, I don't know how we would even do link detection on that.
Very. It's not even that like. Okay, if you want to, you could make the code in a simpler way. You could just do. Wait. Okay. Okay, we might have.
My thought was we just use a CUD off of like basically we have a latch as you have it with a CUD, and it doesn't auto reset, and so we can use the like if the comparator is on or not to detect if we have items or not. That was kind of my thought. I haven't thought about it too hard though.
It will be still locked and stuff, yes. And the moment I have hit you. Oh, one of them went out, that's not what I meant.
So if there are items, we use that to flip a latch. Oh, Willie, we can use the latch.
Oh. Nice.
Do we use a toggle?
No.
No, we do not use
This
a
is
toggle.
connected at the bottom. This doesn't need a toggle. Okay, this is a bit.
Oh, you're just detecting off the bottom,
What
sure.
are you gonna do? Yeah, I think this does the job, and then like the top would be your input. So, right.
Wait,
So
stop.
fucking things up.
Because that would mean that the CUD has to trigger after to reset the latch. Oh no, this does work. You're right. This is nice. I like this. Okay.
It's like, what is it triggering itself? Oh, is it
So-
because you're replacing the box?
You would have it start in this position, right? So it can't. It would have to be start. You start in this position,
Yes.
and then
Yeah.
yep, and then this is the input. Okay, that makes sense.
And then could also make the box storage a bit more sensible, probably. So to the side.
We can make this a layer smaller. Probably.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, can't we just do this thing?
I'm gonna do this. I guess I have to go down.
This is bad, I guess.
How would you want to
it's
have the
also-
box storage?
This dust is bad, isn't it? Like, it also locks the hopper. Like the.
Well, for
hopper.
like half a second, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh no.
We can just move the torch. So I have the torch somewhere in here.
Yeah, we need to move the torch then.
Mm-hmm.
Luckily,
Probably
right
would
now
do
there's
this though.
so we actually can take an output from this side, but we'll have to sync it up somehow because right now it is not synchronized. Another thing that I noticed as well is breaking the box also triggers the cut, but I don't think that's useful. It's just that we gotta make sure it's not an issue.
That can't be a solid block because it burns the torch out.
Yeah, I noticed.
And what are we going to do for the other chest here? Because that is going to have to be more sensible. So
I had some pee.
What, you guys? I have a suggestion. What if we press the node block, it just all the way drains, not just by one?
what do you mean?
Like if the bulk input chest is full, don't we want it to, to just fully drain instead of one by one? Because now it's draining one by one.
If we need to set this up differently, we can set it up to fully drain.
Yes. And
Why
also,
not full drain?
I just want to point this out. We can take a readout from the hopper as well.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. That would be
Because
helpful.
the hopper is more convenient. Like,
Yeah, it would be.
That's what usually people do. Take an input from. Sorry.
I don't know where we're getting the readout from this hopper from though.
we don't need the chest readout. So
Um,
is,
if
hey,
you want to
this,
start it or not, I guess. Oh no, sure. I see
you
what you
know this wiring, alright? You're familiar with it. You have to be. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
give it a pulse
Yeah.
to start it, and then it keeps itself unlocked.
Yep.
With the hopper, you can basically achieve the same thing because let's say that you keep the hopper unlocked if it has items. So it's not going to have any items initially, but then you give it a pulse, it accepts items, and then it keeps itself unlocked because items are flowing through. While they are.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is kind of peak, Denator, I'm not gonna lie.
And then I think we can prime it somehow here.
Yeah, we just need to power it off.
It's not gonna mess with this observer, is it? Does this work? Or is it gonna schedule itself poorly?
I don't know if that scheduling works or not. I think if this is a repeater, it works.
Let's try. Just like a node clock.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good.
I think there might be a better way to do this. I don't know
This
why.
is good, I think. Like, okay, I get you, but this is good enough.
Yeah, fair enough.
Wait, so where do you send the boxes? Where do you click to send the boxes?
Right now, this is the start sorting button. It's labeled on the front.
What if we use a cycler? Like it cycles the node press signal after a certain amount of time. Is that what we want?
What would be the benefit of that?
That it drains fully, right? No, I don't know.
Right now, it will drain fully.
Yes, we just fixed it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good job. Sorry.
Can I join the server, or is it like
No, you can join the
private?
server.
Where?
Let's see.
We're on soon CMP right now.
I will send the invite link.
Thank you.
This doesn't look very silly. Okay, so did you time the unlocking of this hopper generator perchance?
What was that?
Have you figured out if this, like, the unlocking timing for this hopper works?
Well, it doesn't work at the moment, but this is yeah, this is what
No
I'm doing.
worries. Yeah, we can figure that out. Also, this needs to unlock for 10 game ticks, which is going to be annoying.
Why is it just me
What
or
was
are
that?
we lagging?
Your connection looks fine.
So
Is
what
it
were you
just
saying?
me or is it completely the server?
I think it is just you right now. I'm fine.
Your ping just dropped, so it's probably that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would like to make this the back wall if possible, the input. So I don't know how we're going to do that, but. How do I want to do a 10 game tick pulse into that?
Which pulse are you talking about? What is that for?
Into the hopper that for the box.
Oh, so that it like drains itself, right?
Yeah, so that the item can pass fully through.
Are you willing to use a target?
Well,
I am willing. I don't care about targets.
because there is this code wiring here. It redirects the code.
Yeah,
And also repeater doesn't work either. If you look behind.
The draining of the bulk input isn't working.
You also can just pulse it twice, I guess.
Although this can be a dot, like the code doesn't need to be 8 game degree set.
Currently, the dropper is full, Jack. So the items just are backed up because there's nothing clocking this dropper.
Oh, okay. That explains.
Gotta get a plunger.
Okay, I think I'm still gonna advocate for this because it's tricky with the code.
I think we just pulse this twice, honestly. I think that's probably
Yeah,
easy.
so I was already sketching this out. Like you can have one input at the bottom, one input at the top. Like it's scuffed, but you can make it work.
Why do we need targets now?
It breaks the box.
Can't we use just like a slab?
Yeah,
no, that's uglier.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Oh no, it doesn't matter.
No, it does not.
Just
really.
because.
I just
the IP.
that down because it's easy to access. Me, my hotbars.
This powers the code. Let's keep that in mind. And
Does that matter?
yes, you will eject empty boxes. Like, okay, I do agree this one is like the way it was before. It's not nice, but this can be a repeater. Okay, so you would just need to power this with a readout from the hopper.
Why don't we have it under here though?
Wait, what's this block for?
The repeater to unlock the hopper at the very bottom for the box.
It's like technically speaking, this doesn't update the cut, does it?
No.
None of this. Yeah.
Let's maybe do this hopper first though. So thoughts on this?
Yeah,
And then-
perfect. Yeah.
It needs to be primed in the same way with observers, but it's very clean. And
Oh, that is very cool. Wait, where is this?
what I like about it, you can do the clock at the top here. Like this, probably.
Dude, this is incomprehensibly dense already.
That's promising.
Nice.
I mean, this doesn't even
Ooh.
clock then. Maybe.
Yeah, tons of block.
This is so dense. Holy.
We also can just do. Can we just do this like here? And just do a torch straight up.
What was that?
Like we can do this instead.
Sure.
Is this?
I think we
What is
should powdered snow this. No, it's
Why is there dust here?
Wait, guys,
Or-
what's the IP for the server?
Where's that?
See, that's part of the cut.
info.
This is the code, yeah.
What?
So this would be like a solid block with a
What's
repeater.
the info?
Or that.
What's the info?
Oh.
I don't know how we're powering this right now. There's one pulse. Is that the correct time?
Oh, that's the wrong output. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm not sure how you would do it, but we have a block of space here still, right? So within our volume at the bottom,
Oh, true. Yeah.
we could intersect them like this. I think we could like take this through the hall.
Well, I mean, all that unlocking logic should technically be from after the latch, right? So it only triggers
Yeah.
when we have items in the box.
Well, that is what it is right now.
This
The
will
one
trigger no
thing-
matter what.
Yes,
guess-
but that's different. This is to prime.
Oh,
the-
yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
One issue.
Actually, the one thing is, if this flash doesn't activate, the observer will still trigger in this position. So we have to change this a bit.
Is it
True.
1.21.4?
Yes. Holy
The density of this thing is actually insane.
Let's see. Okay, and timing was. Oh, we have so many repeaters. So that'll be fine. 4, 6, 8,
Um,
10, 12,
okay.
14, 2, 4. And we just need to re-trigger the box placing now.
Oh, I completely forgot about the box placement.
Yo.
That is a great call.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure,
I feel like we kind of have to do it here, I guess, or from the other side.
Does this need to be double observers? Here?
There is a reason for stuff to be there.
Yeah.
I think this was for testing purposes. Like, I just wanted to see if it updates.
Okay.
Yo, this. You wanna know one way to wire this with a solid block here and with an observer here?
Yo. Yeah, this.
Yo, wait
Solid block.
wait for it, where is it? Here it is. This.
I
You use a dispenser to put powdered snow on top of it. And that updates.
Whoa.
I
Insane.
don't know if this is worth it.
Yo, Puzzle.
Potsol is unreliable.
It's very
No, it's not. I
reliable.
mean, it's unreliable.
Podzol Tech. True.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I mean that's why you use Podzol.
Powdered snow is a transparent block as well, so you can do regular grass. Like, it's not. In other versions, you would like push a snow block on top of this, but this is powdered snow. It's not gonna kill grass.
Puzzle is not transparent.
So you want this to be
Powdered
upgraded
snow?
and update this?
What? So you can send signal through it?
Yeah, the observer detects it. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
powdered
what
snow.
the fuck are you doing?
Snow is not transparent. Correct. Yeah.
So, do we want to do this or not?
Well, I like it. Three powder snow only for input? Hell
Put
yeah.
it here. This works nicely.
I feel like there must be a better way to do this.
Yeah.
Oh, you finished the slip-bar wiring last night. That's exciting.
Oh wait, there is one way. Just this. Yeah, that's much simpler.
I mean, that's what. Yeah, it's like. I mean, wait, what are we doing over here? Why is there?
Do we use stackable shulker boxes as a? Do we consider that
modded?
Mod. Yeah, I don't typically use them, but I don't care when people do.
Wait.
Oh, okay, so that's a no for designing it originally. Cool.
Wait, why is the input for chokers at the top? I mean, okay, never mind. It's good.
It primes this side now as well.
Oh, and this is here because wait, denator.
What is it?
Brain is here.
This
It starts
to
this
hold
was
it in place.
as well. Yeah, I was testing. I didn't want it to trigger. It
Yeah.
should be good now. Is Hopper unlocking for the box correct now?
Um,
What you run it until it's like empty, and then it locks again.
this is 12 game ticks. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, I think it's 12 and 12.
Oh, nice. Very good. Okay.
Cool.
What do we have left? I'm gonna make this card use a comparator or composter. We're gonna save on dust updates.
Do you still put the repeater on top of it, like this?
Yeah.
Wait, was this 2 game ticks or was it 1?
No, it's
Press.
fine. It's fine.
That note, I think it's just like single items in a box, empty boxes, those sorts of things. I mean, is it single empties? Yeah, nice.
It's extremely compact. It's very cool.
My beloved, indeed. I was gonna say, is it much faster? Do you know how it compares in speed to the other Sigfars? Demo died. Yeah, the ones that you have other videos for, like the hyper-threaded one and those ones. I guess I've never seen numbers for the hyper-threaded one, but I know generally Sigfar is very slow.
Is it?
Yes.
The non-cart one, yeah.
Even the cart ones that released aren't great.
Do we wanna change the other dropper to be symmetrical as well? Just asking. Like this.
What were you asking?
If you wanna put it like to the side so that it is symmetrical with the other side.
Oh.
We can change this side as well, like, which do you prefer?
I don't really care.
I care that
Wait.
it's there. But that's
Why are you
personal
lowering
preference
this down?
at the end of the day. No idea.
Like, where's the Sigfar?
I don't really need balls.
You
Me
mean
either,
like
brother.
grouper, hyper-threaded, nothing?
What is grouper hyper-threaded? It's like, those are mutually exclusive things, kinda.
You can technically do it. Not worth
Yo,
much.
Ragdoll, why do you put this?
Grouper is just the tech that you use. It's like a variable box filter. But it's looked like you place the box onto the filter, and so it looks at every item. Naive, hyper-threaded, bypass, and dynamic. What the hell? I have not. What do you mean by bypass and dynamic?
Dictionary moment.
So bypass is grouper based.
Yeah, I think bypass is probably what you mean by grouper, or what I mean by grouper. But it's just some way to get non-matching item types into different ones, I'm assuming. This is, yeah. Yes. Yep. That makes sense. It's like grouper logic is bypass then, and then what the hell is dynamic?
Wait, you guys have that on the server blocks drop? What? Why? Just annoying.
Well, if you're doing like anything to do with boxes, really, you
Oh,
need
is that with like local
No, like,
DSI?
on top
Oh,
of it, like,
what the hell?
Oh,
Do you
that's kind of
sort?
cool.
It's going to see per item given the search. So you would like find all the like if you have a whole bunch of a certain item type, you could allocate multiple slices to it or something. Or if you don't need a if you don't need ideal output, you can allocate multiple slices. I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Well,
How do you? I don't know how you would do that with a Sigvar. I'm sure it's possible, but I don't understand how you would get ideal output and allocate multiple slices to the same item type.
But there's already one below.
No, just
With dynamic Sigvar, yes, it's circular. Just do dynamic with dynamic. Easy money.
Did this.
But like how?
That's
Dynamic with dynamic easy money.
My bad. Just, bro, you can just.
okay. Yeah, we should make this excellent UI.
Output box is carried to. So
You're adding way too much.
Dude, Barra's gonna love this. Do you know who Barra is?
So the dynamic score ends up working.
There's two of the same block. Don't you have?
oh,
a
so you
different
just do multiple cycles with the same item types across. Like you'll have multiple cycles that have the same item type. It sounds like. So you have two output boxes.
Okay, yeah, this is good. This is good.
Boom.
People do this. I don't understand.
It's excellent UI. You don't understand.
Yeah.
Do you not know what excellent UI is? Bro.
If you search algorithms, prediction of a given item type, we need to. Then you just merge the box. Yeah. Okay.
So you just anticipate that you have two slices with the same item type? Is that what I'm reading?
No, you would assign two slices to the item type if you predict that you could do two, and if it's wrong, then you just merge them together.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's the prediction made though?
That's a wonderful question. You
Maybe
can
based on
count
the size of the
you can
inputs.
technically count instances of an item type, and then you can
So
use
the
that
way
to do
that-
math. But
Could you use
The
like
way
a
that I would do
grouper and then like if the buffer fills up then you just move to the next slice?
that would be a really like simple way of doing it. But I think he means something much more complicated.
I think so too. I'm a simple my brain dumb. How many boxes are you
Not true.
type? Okay.
How many boxes? Yeah, so you're counting them, and how long given item type is taking would be like you have to start before you can do that though. So would this be like over time you assign more item types to like
You need a
more
person.
or reassign an item type later, and as opposed to assigning it like two at the beginning? I mean, the data of how long a given item type is taking, like you have to start unloading to get that information, right? So you like accumulate more slices of the same item type over time if necessary.
Dina, why is there a warped fungus thingy here?
I don't know. I'm not the one who put it there. It doesn't
Does it
have
sound
functional
Does it
purpose.
have a reason?
No. Somebody just decided to be funny.
Have we tested this?
Oh yeah, we should give everything it does.
Yo, who broke it? Yo,
If you have a lot of
did
boxes
this?
and not a lot of activity.
Yo, demo, you just ruined it, demo.
Oh.
Yo.
I kind of get
Was-
it.
Wasn't there a redstone torch on top?
Yeah. So this is like a way to like combat a dig sort like output.
I don't know why we got rid of this.
Okay.
It's just not.
No, well, it's still like the hopper. It locks it while it's not
Oh,
in
it
use.
I was like, we can't put a torch there.
Why not?
I mean, I guess we can. I just don't know how we're gonna power it off.
I just
just-
did functional wiring to it. Like, if you put it here, these two observers, they somehow prime it. I just tested it.
Gonna go,
I was
guys.
surprised as well, but this does actually
See.
prime it, and this
See.
does unlock the hopper.
Interesting.
Wait, so
That's kind of cool.
Also,
Keep another
this is
bottle.
something that
I would say I think spamming carts would honestly be much faster. But if you
Yeah.
did both, that'd be kind of fun. Maybe like a deal. I mean, the problem is then it still gets outpaced by a deal splitter because you're just moving items so much faster. So once again, spamming carts is the solution.
But are we
There's
really
at
like gonna put a deal splitter in this conversation?
yeah, what? Who put this?
I did just mention it.
112, bro. 2 falling block. Not that hard.
Yeah.
I think of them as pretty independent things.
Why is there
Yeah.
every UI in the game around us, bro?
But they have like, I mean, they're both ideal output.
Yes. No, I would, like, in my opinion, the way that I have viewed it is that the ideal splitter is much more of a variable loader.
What? You cannot
have a
right-click a
switch
fletching
mode that you group the items of a
I
type
would
together
agree
and
with
you load
that.
them.
I mean, you can
It's-
do card Sigfar, which I have done, and that is like incredibly different than ideal splitter, logically and implementation. Big time machine. But I mean, yeah, they're both just about scanning the entire item set for one item type at a time. That's true. It's just Sigfar does
Oh, don't do this,
across multiple item types, and
bro. Edit instead of the fletching table, bro. Apparently, you cannot right-click fletching tables. Am I dumb?
I have a question.
I mean, I would say the logical difference is that you parallelize the searching process in Sigfar to make up for a lack of speed, whereas it's more like in Ideal Splitter, you have one searching core, and then many loaders for that single searching core. Whereas Sigfar, you have many searching cores with one loader per search core.
Into 1 mega box.
So it's like they're logically very similar, but I think all of that is card implementation details.
I have a question.
Yeah,
I want to work.
Also
I
pissed
want to. I want to work on the main storage for the people thing, like the soon tag storage. Who is in charge of that?
It's Kurisu.
Curious. And how do
Or
you spell that?
Matrix Sue. I think right now he's going by Matrix Sue, I think is what his name is.
Yeah.
No lie. But if you just like, he's the chief executive officer of Soon.
Oh, okay. I just want to DM him to ask Matrix here if I could join the project.
You can also, you can DM him. I'm sure he'd be open to that.
I don't know. Would he?
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
Probably. Yeah.
Okay.
is the normal output. Should I label it as the mixed output?
Is this? Oh, reset properly. It is. Okay, I'm gonna test this input.
Yo, Dnator. Come
The item in.
down here.
I just like I can't talk.
Well, that did not
Yeah,
work.
mixed and bulk. That's correct. That's for sure.
I clicked the start sorting button and it sucked the item out of the box and didn't break the box. Oh.
Well, I was tweaking with it because okay, what I wanted to do. The code actually activates when you break the box because like the breaking and the spacing of the box triggers it. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to keep this button extended so that because what you could happen, you could like reset the latch, but then you could set the code immediately, not because there are items in the box, but simply because you replaced it, right? So this is what I was trying to do here.
Oh, so you just like keep this locked. I see what you mean.
Don't think a lot about this wiring. This is nothing. But the idea is there. Yeah, easy women. I don't know what the timings are though. This, like, it needs to be powered for a long time, but it also needs to start earlier. So I don't know.
The code triggers. You just want to cut that from happening. You also can just use the. You can time it so that this piston resets it while the observer is muted. And that'd also be an option, but it's cleaner just to have this extend for a long period of time.
Yeah. That is true.
I feel like it'd be better just to extend, like, to power this for like 16 game ticks or something, rather than like power it again, you know? So like just make this signal longer.
That's completely different though. That is completely different. This starts. There is not enough delay. And also.
I guess yeah, it might be not really possible in the setup though.
Like this repeat alone, it won't do it. So,
As of right now, no. It's too dense, yeah. Also typically speaking, you would do like a in after shulkerbox crafting became a thing in 21. You have auto refill systems for your whole system, and then you just refill raw ingredients to a central location.
Quick question: how do you break
Modded
the box?
features. It's in the game.
Good.
Auto crafters are real and they can hurt you.
Like, okay, genuinely, out of all the features that we got, crafters, I do think crafters are a fine feature.
I think they're a great feature, but they do feel like modded. If you haven't played.
What are those? Copper golems? Sure, definitely. Yeah, like other stuff, sure, but crafters are genuinely not. Those are fine.
Whoa, that'd be cool. That would be really, really cool.
Oh yeah.
They really bungled the bulbs though. I was pretty pissed about that. If they had any one game tick delay option that's a single block, it'd be so nice.
Scaffolding stocks would go to 0.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, they're still good for sending signals upwards, but no one will use scaffolding anymore for that. That's true. I feel like that wasn't even an intended purpose of scaffolding. I don't know.
If it was, they would be in the redstone tab.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's because Mojang is Mojank. They don't actually know what they're doing.
Mojangular.
Yeah, which is very funny. Scaffolding is meant to be scaffolding. Yeah. Yeah, that's so funny. They really got to figure their shit out. One, two, four.
Hmm.
1, 2, 4. That would have been nice, honestly. Do you mean long 4 or short 4? As in, like, it triggers an observer twice or once, depending on the phases.
Ooh.
Or do you just mean 4 game ticks to trigger? Well, because right now the problem is that bulbs. I don't actually know. I've never zero ticked the bulb before. The problem is that bulbs do have, like, a lamp. I think is 4 game ticks, but I think it only triggers it once. I'm not sure. Tongue, shark. Who the fuck? Y'all are not real people. I'm just gonna be honest here. Like sometimes,
Who is that even?
I don't know.
Good for you.
Oh my god. Okay.
A ball.
It's not that it's a big deal, but like.
I'm That's that. Looks like 1. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Okay, that's fair. I mean, it wouldn't be a problem if it wasn't for this stupid, like, they update twice. Like, there's 2 things that happen. Like, they turn on when you power them. Oh, that's so annoying. It pisses me off a little bit, actually, honestly. It would be really useful if it wasn't for that extra update.
And that's just to make observers be consistent because it's changing a block state.
Yeah. I mean, you can get rid of it just by adding a comp and then reading from the comp instead, but which is a rising edge that I should take more advantage of, to be honest.
Right. No, I don't know why, but I just
Yeah, correct.
actually fully boycott copper stuff and all the new updates. Don't use it in my wiring.
I don't really either. I used it. I think, yeah, I used it in my splitter, my card splitter, because it made the collection slightly more reliable, which is just like a skill issue in the first place. That didn't work.
The gurgler.
What's this?
Did I?
I think the timing
The
might be
one there. Wanna
2,
test again?
4,
Obama, yes.
8, 10, 12,
Whoa.
I was messing with the top here, but like
2, 4, 6.
it had to fuck up the same delay.
They do have the same delay. No, yeah, they do. They have the same delay.
Okay. Maybe it was.
Yeah, no,
No, I
they
just
should.
took something. Wait, what were you looking at? Like, I think I just placed some glass here and it updated the wall and it took at the person.
Oh, sure. You need to feel the storage work.
Yeah, I think we should. Why is it? We should test it again. I want to see if it works.
I'm testing it. Put an item in the box, and now I'm starting.
No.
It's clocking.
I wonder why. Okay.
Is it because
I think I looked at the second process takes too long, so. But I don't think. Is there a way to avoid that? without triggering it twice. Because what it's doing, like the initial pulse it cancels when the box is broken, but then it takes time before the box is placed again. And the box placing creates another update.
So we just need to place the box faster.
I don't think that's possible. Like this wiring is very nice. We need to.
You can get rid of the torch and place it faster.
No, actually, no.
He doesn't want to get rid of the torch.
It's locked now. It's hopper locked. Like,
Oh
at
no!
this thing. They're all like this. They're all actually
Bro,
love
there's
it. Like,
non-lithium users
dude.
out there. Whatever will we do?
we have actually made the perfect bar contraption. It is possible. It is fully hopper locked, and most importantly, has an excellent UI. Because look at this.
That's
I
music
think
to
most
my
importantly,
ears.
it's spawn-proofed.
But it's not
Oh,
spawn-proof
I
up
forgot
here.
about that. Yeah, let's spawn proof. Let's spawn proof.
Let's just... I mean, we
So-
could just do the bare inflation instead. And just
Doesn't
like...
The box just doesn't break.
I almost feel like we need a lamp up here.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Bruh.
Hey, good luck to something spawning in this.
Yeah, let's be honest.
Wait, what is our... Oh, this is color coding, isn't it? Sure.
Okay. So...
Oh, by the way,
Does this block not help?
forgot.
Was this the problem, Dinator?
Correct me if I'm wrong, but what is the point of a quad? A quad
What?
bulk. Like, what is the point?
Higher density of items in the UI. So you have 4 items per slice instead of 2. So your bulk hole has as long.
So it would be ideal, correct me if I'm wrong on this, to have a chest hull with bulk-sized like capacity, basically, and displays and stuff. Basically.
No. I mean, chest hulls and bulks like serve different purposes.
Okay.
You can, I mean, with a lot of the way encoded works these days, you could just like turn a chest hull into a bulk.
It's not
But-
displays.
Yeah, it doesn't have displays is the big thing, but like, yeah,
It's like literally the only limiting factor when it comes to density. When it comes to those things, is small displays.
display, yeah.
So
Well,
Yo,
you-
Dinator.
That I'm kind of a fan of is you can just use buffer displays in the floor instead of having a display per item.
what is a buffer display?
It's when you have like I can try and paste one. Do we have any? No. Do I have any?
You have your ultimate one.
Oh, you're so right. That one doesn't work for this particular use case, unfortunately. But
Wait, are you trying to explain toss displays though, or?
yeah.
Yo, Dinator.
I meant
The box is
right.
gotten.
I did mean toss displays.
I can paste in mine.
Please do. That would be great.
Yeah,
Doesn't
I
bring
know.
that. Well. I'm just messing with it, dude. I'm like they're force breaking because
Whoa, the fader.
I mean it's a
When-
good
when
solution.
pasted in.
It's not gonna get much nicer than that. Don't you agree?
That's
So,
ugly.
Who was asking about the toss display? By the
No,
way?
it's not.
Jack was.
Le Jack. Donde?
Legit.
TNT proof question mark.
TNT proof, baby.
What is it?
Babooey.
Is that the toss display? With
Yeah,
a button in
that's
it?
if you have a box, you just toss it into the hopper, and then it places it for you. So it gives you easy access to loose items from boxes if they're
You can
stored.
also toss in another one.
Would it be possible to have like an external bulb connected to chest hull, which is connected to a display, which can be dynamically put inside of the,
Holy
like, is it
buzzword. Can you
possible?
explain it again?
Okay, so if you have a chest hull and you have a external ball connected to it, and just like above it, right, or in other chunks maybe for loading it, and then you would want the what do you call it? You want the items from the chest hull layout to hop inside of the
Hello?
shulker thingy.
Yep.
In the shulker, what do you call it? In the Dropbox or something. Like if the Dropbox would be
The
automatic
choker
at,
got stuck here. Oh, my
at
bad,
the
sorry.
press of like a notebook,
It's
that would
hard
be
to
ideal.
break, It's not doing anything.
I was actually thinking about that earlier today. I don't think it's really that practical, but it depends on the dependency of like how quickly you can do like player call from a remote bulk.
Just not typically very quick.
Yeah, it's probably easier just to have like a bunch of empty restock stations and just put the boxes in manually
Hmm.
to get the
Okay.
same UI.
Also, I think player call is typically kind of flawed. Project Ender Chest.
Yes.
I have not heard of that particular thing, no.
Oh, really? Yeah, I was like, no way somebody hasn't heard about it. Yeah, it's very
I-
old.
That was
What is
a...
concept?
For
Great.
people who don't know, that was a project started by Hammer, I believe.
Oh, Crane is here. I didn't realize. What a lineup.
Yeah.
Or final? Is it that just like a programmable MS or something?
It's an item call system. So like, all of your farm storage, all of your
Oh,
will send items to the storage.
I've heard of this project. I just never heard it called Project Ender Chest before.
Yo, who shrunk Denator?
I did.
We're out of box.
This is the thing. Oh, we can make this even nicer by having a readout.
Quick question: are you guys gonna make a button to break the choker?
The button is in, but like we are working on the box still.
Yeah.
Why did I just fill that chest?
Where,
Inspector
where's the button?
Talon, you owe me something, don't you? Talon?
It's gone! Wow!
Well.
That's
I hope he's alright.
leaves instantly.
Okay. Do we
I just
reckon this
realized
is great? Wait a second, let's count.
What's up, Giannis?
Okay.
Goodbye, Giannis.
Oh, he's like actually gone. I thought he'd come back.
He got scared.
Why would he be
Thank-
scared of me?
I don't know.
Hello?
There you are. What's up, Giannis?
Talon? No.
Yeah, that was Giannis.
Yep. Sound dishes.
Giannis, the NBA player.
Antetokounmpo? No, it's not Antetokounmpo.
What the fuck is happening here?
This
This is
Oh,
looking so cube. Not
it is
gonna
very
lie.
cute. Side.
One thing that I want to note about the sort of input that like puts the box from the UI into the chest. If you press the start button, like the starting for the chest is done before the box is broken, so it will just put, if you don't have any other mixed boxes, it will just put the box in the chest, and then you would have to press it again. So do we care about that or do we not?
I think that's a feature, but
Sounds good to me. I mean, okay, I think it's reasonable to fix, but also okay, I would much rather not. Yeah, let's just.
Bro, yo, that geek. You can just do this.
Why does it not break?
Call me Dadkey.
you were just called that geek, yes.
Who did this? Crane, it's true. They don't know who I am.
Not.
Wait, who's talking?
I think
I'm-
Jack's that geek.
Oh my god.
Nobody knows who that is.
Jack, for shame.
Oh, do we have? Oh, brilliant. No, that's all right. That's okay. I think the funniest time that this has happened is that someone didn't know who I was in Psycraft Public, and then I think Pando Jor in Barcelona. No, not Barcelona. Pando Jor and someone else pinged me, and they told me to release a video.
Alright, what's
Wait.
up with these?
Did it do something?
2, 4, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6. The timings are currently off because of this dot of dust. Like if this
No,
dust is
I added the dust on purpose because the top is now slower.
the top right now is from the torch is 2, 4, 6, 12. 12 game ticks in the bottom with the observer was 12.
It's 12 right now. Am I dumb?
Because the bottom is now 10 game ticks and the top is currently 12 game
Not
ticks.
again. Like, sorry, but could you recount? Because I swear this is 12. There are 2 observers here. Yeah, there are.
Yep. Yeah. So the 4 game tick repeater plus 2 observers is 8 game ticks, right?
Yep. And then there is
And
a
this
torch.
observer is 2 game ticks, so that's 10 game ticks of delay.
And then there is the torch.
Oh, I've been fearing the torch the whole time. You're right.
So the timing should be
stupid.
correct.
Yes, now it's correct. Yeah. I forgot the torch the entire time.
I've just tested that it didn't work. So could we do that again?
This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wait. Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 12.
Let's trigger it.
12.
Yeah, we can. Do we trigger it now?
I can also I'll multimeter it, make sure things look correct.
Sure.
Yeah, let's try this again.
Wait.
Wait, the code?
Wait.
The torch is deep. They're timed perfectly,
Wait,
but the
we
cut
can
is locking
fix
it. Yeah,
fix it.
there you go.
And also, dude, check this. The cut sets itself. But, okay, we push the piston down, right?
Yeah.
But the cut doesn't switch off.
Oh, interesting.
That's such a pain to work with.
This cut is. I'd be so shocked. Well, first off, this cut is getting updated by something.
Is it? Actually, looking
Yes.
at it, I don't think it is. Like, okay,
This observer should update it, right?
true, actually, yeah, you're right.
I think it does. This is testable. Yeah, it does. So we gotta get rid of that observer, yeah.
This is the same delay. Yakus plus Vortex. Drop door. We have to solve the card issue though.
Wait, what
Like
the
it's
heck?
clouded right now. Or well, it is clouded. No, it's good right now. But while we're doing all of the replacement, it's gonna trigger a bunch, it's gonna power. And we don't let this person extend.
The target to prime?
I'm talking to Crane, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I don't think there's a good solution. Like, just right off the bat,
Wait, Crane. Can
I
you
don't
go
know.
press
It's a good
the
solution.
no block setter over there?
What's the problem right now, Donator?
So, we trigger the box breaking, right? This person pushes down,
Yep.
and then it just stays down. Okay?
Yep.
But right now, there isn't a composter in front of the card. So the card powers.
And stays
It
powered.
stays in this state, right?
Oh.
Currently the
I
person
see.
is powered, but like, now what you could do, you could update the person, but now it's priming again, and we don't want that. So I guess we could actually trigger it again. I think, actually, your idea with priming the observer, it could come in handy here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make it so convenient, because we dish the fader, we did everything, we just waited for a long time and then we trigger this person again. That would be very nice. That sounds like a good idea then. It doesn't quite fit with the current layout. So what can we change about it?
If you don't need the fader,
I think
this.
no, we can fix it. We can fix it, I believe in us.
Fine.
This can be primed like that if we really want to. So let's say that this strip of space we dedicate to resetting. Right. Still need to keep the card powered somehow, and we still need to prime. We have a tiny bit of... do we have space?
Yo, does this target actually turn off this torch, or?
Yeah,
Yes,
it does. Because of the double observer.
There are two observers, yeah, I was surprised it worked myself, but this does work, I can show.
Where's the second observer?
It's
Look at this.
going
One is
to.
watching the person and the other is watching the block turret.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're trying to mute this observer.
Muting an observer.
Maybe.
What was that?
Maybe this. Maybe.
What is the? I don't even know what's happening here. What's going to trigger this second?
That's the thing. We don't really have a way of doing that at the moment.
I mean, you can do this. You can just take that, right?
Can also use a piston if you really want. Or wait, no, never mind.
Yeah, I wouldn't trigger the second wall.
I think this. because this doesn't trigger the code. Yes, and we
Right.
have an output there, but then this is not delayed correctly. Because this code triggers very quickly,
What?
and then this one has a lot of delay.
Observer triggers. I mean, this and this observer trigger at the same time right now, right?
No, okay, look at this. I'm
Oh,
trying.
you routed. I see. Sure,
Yes,
sure.
I am trying to power it that way. And this just triggers quickly. This doesn't have a delay. If we add something here, and if this is something that doesn't send updates, then something. Dude. I don't think this works.
Man, you've been in love with the torches today.
Really? I think so. No, okay, because I think the torch updates later on the attack. That is a shame. How can I power this observer? From that input.
Can't we?
Oh, that's true, that's true, that's a very good point actually. That, oh, if it's a long pulse, that means we need zero priming at all. Okay,
Yeah.
that's a great solution. That is a great solution. Yeah, we don't need any of that now. We can just focus on the priming.
Damn, we get rid of the priming. This one, it definitely needs the priming. Well, hold up. No, this is gonna update the cut if we put dust there. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't see anything to do that.
If the timings are adjusted, like this should be fine as it is. I know observer spam, but I don't think we need the observer spam anyway. I think we can get the repeater back because we don't need the fader now.
Mm-hmm.
What we do need? We just need a delayed output from this. This is actually very doable.
It definitely is. That can be just like a trapdoor. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8 game ticks. That's 2, 4, 6. Mm. Trapdoor.
This trapdoor does not have enough delay. Like, okay, not the trapdoor, but the sparring overall. Guess we can just let this repeater.
10 game ticks. There's not really a way to add more delay without updating something though.
We can just add more space. Like we have a lot of space here. We can do the old torch again, and then
Why is
repeat.
there? I mean, is there a reason there's a lever here?
No.
Okay, yeah. Then can't we just like go down this way and then wrap it around that way? We're gonna be there really, really quickly.
Let's say this. Do we care about like block variety? Do we care about scaffolding?
I don't care about using scaffolding now.
Okay.
What is this no block doing?
Which one?
This one on the side with the input.
This is for the clock. This is clock. This clock's the dropper.
Oh, okay, so I can update that and
Yeah, you see this observer underneath, like it clocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Well, let's say it's one tag.
So that's wait, why is just do that. So that's 2, 6. Just return that line. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. This is 2, 4, 6. Oh, this is incredibly doable. We just wrote it this.
Bottom is 9, counting from this block.
Does this not just
This
work?
is 10. We've overdone ourselves. We have added too much delay. Like, top is now a tick slower. Like, it works, it should prime it still, but I'm just saying.
The top is too long right now.
No, it's not too long, it's just like, bottom is 9, top is 10.
Okay.
By the way, I have another question yet again. Is there a project going on right now specifically for pushing the limits of storage stack to its absolute limits?
I don't know what that means. What do you mean by absolute limits?
Could you
Like the absolute limit of storage stack. Is there trying to push that limit? How do I say what I mean? So is there a project going on right now in the storage stack community that makes like some storage stack, but makes it like the most advanced and like hardest out there basically, or not necessarily hardest, but like, you know.
Not any ones that I know that are public.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone, like, people have a whole bunch of, like, individual projects and things that I'm sure are similar to what you're talking about. Like, people are making encoded crafters and stuff like that.
This sort of, like, worrying though. It's been a while since I've heard that. Like, pushing the limits and stuff.
This is quoting Mango.
What?
That's what Mango would say.
What is left here? Oh, that's what you're doing. That's nice. That's nice.
I think this line is probably just an easier way to do it, honestly.
Yeah. And it's gonna be a solid block as well.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, we're actually gonna add too little delay here. Need to balance this.
2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, this is still 9 somehow. I
Yeah,
thought
but this is a lot more than 9 on top. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
that's
12, 14, 16, no, it's 14.
With this repeater, you can make this trapdoor wall.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well, 1 second. Here we go. That's -4, that's 10 now as well. And the bottom is 9, so that's perfect.
So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I count 12 game ticks for this top observer.
This can also, we can also change this to something like this. Can be like, you can make this scaffolding.
True. Scaffolding span for the win.
Now that's 9. And this is also 9. No, it's good. This doesn't even need scaffolding technically. Or do we not care? I don't think we care.
Wait, click the note block, somebody, for start sorting. Yeah, turns off. Nice.
Yeah.
Easy money.
So now it's just the priming.
Yep. That's the priming done. Yeah. Oh, now we need to prime the comparator. Yeah, the observer.
And also this way I would also change it just for cleanness sake. Like at this point, We have the space to do everything. It's about how cleanly we can do it.
This is true. Let's see. I mean, can't we just set this up so that it mutes the observer whenever this piston triggers?
Oh, should we also need to trigger the piston? No. The point is that, like, the point is when you trigger it with the input, it triggers.
Oh yeah, it will. Yeah, it will fire. Yeah. I mean, we could technically set it up so that, like, hold up. So if we like made this like a 6-scan tick delay here, and we put a note block here, then that could trigger it when you click the note block, like when you trigger this repeater line. But then when you power the piston by other means, it doesn't send another pulse.
Oh.
Crazy.
Oh, that doesn't work anyways. Never mind. But yeah, we can't have anything updatable there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Hey, yo.
My
Dude.
bad.
God. Okay, do we want to go with that self-updating thing though? Like, do we commit to that? I think so. I don't see how else we would do that.
Like this doesn't work because it would trigger it even when it hasn't been.
Oh,
like
sure.
if the yeah, so it doesn't work unfortunately. The other option, I guess, is that we do trigger the observer every time, but we change the timings for when the piston gets triggered relative to it.
Like, just pure logistically though, going from this side, we need to power the piston. We don't really have the space for that, unless you do a dropper here. This is double. This is double.
Can we also just power from there? Oh wait, no, can't because it's stupid dust. Ugh, sad.
This just works, doesn't it?
Yes. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And that would trigger that.
So.
Wait, what would power this dropper from the normal line though? Like this?
No. You don't need it. You don't need it from the normal line at all. No point.
What is going to
do
power
this.
this observer? It's not going to update. Actually, no, it would update. It would update. That's true. But
like this. Something like this. Along these lines.
oh, sure. I see what you're doing.
I don't know about this observer spam. Like, I would reconsider that. I would.
I think that was that bad, honestly. This is fine. So
maybe there's a nicer version still. Yeah, if we had fucking not again.
we need to.
It needs to relay though.
Power this too, right?
Watch. So. No. Each wiring is self-contained. Although, oh, that's very clean. Why did I not think of that? That's very clean.
I think that does actually just work, but I think this timing probably mutes it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I am gonna add delay to this line. I'm gonna observe a spam. We'll have to redo some put later.
Yeah.
Oops.
Pretty clean.
I would be concerned about how much delay this has though, because this is not too much.
Yeah, I mean, we can always adjust this though. These are all repeaters, so I'm not really concerned about that. We have a lot of room to play.
True. I guess yeah, you're right. If this triggers twice, nobody cares. I
Yeah,
was just so sad on having this give a single pulse.
and this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 game tick. And this is 2, 4. This is 8, 10. Yeah, okay. So this needs to have +2 game ticks. Need to add 2 to the top.
I think this would low key, this repeater line as it is. I think there's a chance that it works. Oh wait.
This piston will fire 2 game ticks before the hopper unlocks right now, which is really easy to fix.
Yeah.
We can just do that,
Yeah. That's good.
and now it works.
Okay.
Nice.
And from just calculating on how long it takes to place the box, I think this is very close when it comes to delay. Like if you could just add a tiny bit of delay without making it double pulse, it would be brilliant. But I don't think we can.
We also can get rid of this dust and make this 14 game ticks.
Okay, well, this adds more repeater spam, but the repeater spam, it's not bad, is it? No, wait,
Repeater
this
spam's
doesn't
not
do
real.
anything.
It's okay.
It's not real, it can't hurt you.
I don't know. I should just test, like, I'm doing too much speculation. So... Yes, we can test now. Actually, we didn't even test if this mutes, let's just do that. Guys. Yo,
Eek.
big.
We can even silence this dropper as well.
Big.
Bell of Silence
That is
time.
incredible.
There we go.
Well, let's go. This is so nice.
Okay. Are we good to test this?
Let's do it.
This needs to be in this. No, that was correct position.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay. Nothing
Wait, no, it
happened.
didn't check, it was in the wrong position. China.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
What the fuck?
This only unlocks for 8 game ticks apparently.
The hopper?
I think it's
Yeah,
just
the
his
hopper
dust
unlocks.
is angled toward
Okay,
it.
right. We had it as a dot, we had it as this, but then I changed it again for some reason. But sure. That didn't trigger like at all. I don't understand.
Let's try it again.
What I was expecting to happen? When you break the box and when you replace it, that is supposed to spam compiler updates. And it was in the wrong state again. China.
Sad. Still 8 game tick.
Did it break and replace?
It broke and replaced. It just didn't cycle the box. Like it gets stuck in the hopper. So the pulse isn't 8 game ticks.
I'm very confused though. Like what?
I think
So
it just needs to be long. Like, so this bulb is receiving a 6 game tick pulse right now. So it's not pulsing twice. This repeater's long pulsing is my guess for 8 game ticks.
Huh.
Because this is a 6 game tick pulse.
But like, did it not work before? I don't think we actually tested it properly. It might not have worked to begin with.
Probably not. I don't think it's ever worked. But we can extend this signal technically.
Yeah.
By doing some very cringe something or other.
I'm gonna let you cook. I need to figure something out.
Like that. So that triggers 2. No, those 3 at the same time right now. Oh boy. Can't we just put the repeater here? I just gotta increase this delay. If I did that... There must be a better way to do this. 2.
So
this would mean we need to add a whole bunch of delay up here. Which is like very possible.
is this really necessary still? Like just asking. So
Just asking.
this is actually triggered twice. Have you tested this? I don't know why, but I'm just toss of this setup.
This will trigger twice, yeah. Confident.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's how you're doing the delay. That's kind of nice. I like that.
It'll fill out the corner too, make it more
By the way,
cute.
this doesn't need to be a repeater anymore, I guess.
Yeah. And
Okay,
then
that's
put it-
convenient. This can be an unblock. Yep.
That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And this is 2, 4, 8. So that's 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I think these are the same. But once again, I have them multimetered, so we will see if there's a problem. Is the latch in the right state?
No, it's not. Good thing you asked. Now it is.
Yeah. Nope. It's
Look at
unlocking
this.
way.
I think I found the box. So look over here.
What the fuck? What is in the box? Okay, so what was that? Yeah, it unlocks 2 game ticks too late. So we need to add 2 game ticks delay to this line here.
Yep. Oh yeah, that chop down, just a chop down.
Yep. Okay, let's try this again.
It's not on the right side, wait a second. Now it is.
Lovely. There we go. Now it's precision. And it works.
I don't understand how. The card is supposed to activate the. Oh, we've solved that problem. Shit, I was. Okay. Good thing I was so cautious. The card wasn't actually set. Now the card is set. Now the card is functional. And now we can test it for real.
For real this time.
It would be embarrassing though if we released that as a finished thing.
Okay, so that works.
Yeah, that works. Oh fuck, no it doesn't. It needs a bit more delay. Because if you look here, the code is now coded. So it means that it
How much-
tried to activate while this person was pushing. So the
I
person blocked it.
mean, I will meter these 3 pistons and we'll see how
We
much.
only need a few ticks of delay more. We need like 2 ticks.
If we need 2 more ticks, then we can just do this.
That's the same delay though.
No, this is plus 2 game ticks.
Oh, sure. Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Now let's test again.
And one more time. It is in the correct position.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, now there is another issue. Now the blooming thing, now the card actually, like, the card extends, and the piston cannot extend.
Oh, it's muting the piston.
Although, now that you have this observer here, I think you can do this because the repeater will not trigger twice. Yeah, let's test for real this time.
Okay.
Yep, it worked.
Right.
It's in the correct state. It worked this time. Let's go!
Nice. The one kind of annoying bit is it takes fucking forever for this box to break.
Yeah, that's the cause of this repeater thing here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If
I
we
think
can make that faster, we should.
we should change it.
Yo, is there
So,
supposed to be a random box here?
Here's a low-key idea. Just like, you see where I'm going.
I mean, yeah, we can just do 2 double pulses, or we could also do this.
Oh, a lamp.
Yeah, and then a lamp, and then
yeah,
just
that's clean. That's clean.
Yeah.
You're just gonna make sure it doesn't interfere here
Yeah.
with this clock.
It's like this. And then that triggers, so this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, we're back down to 12 game ticks. There, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We need 2 more game ticks of delay here again. Tragedy.
Where? The bottom or the top?
On the top. I mean,
Oh, here. On this
can't we
top.
do, oh, no, we can't do that. Fuck.
This can be a repeater, I guess. A repeater. And what?
These 2 need to trigger at the same time right now.
Right.
I mean, can't we just make this a 6 game tick delay? Like, there's nothing bad about that, right?
Wait, let me see. No, it's fine, it's fine. It should be fine, actually.
Yeah. Oh, Keem is in the voice chat. What's up?
Yeah, I'm just buying.
He's just dead silent.
Let's test it for real last time.
Well, it felt kind of wrong just to join and not do the thing, so I just trying to be quiet.
Yeah, that worked.
It worked?
Did
it collect the box?
Yeah. No, it's kidding. It's buffered. What the hell? The repeater pulsed twice. Yeah, it wouldn't pulse twice. Hold up. Do I not have this metered anymore? Apparently not. No, Why did that pulse for 8 game ticks? I'm very confused.
I mean, TPP shit or something? Like, I don't know.
Hold up, I'm gonna meter the bulb. That's not gonna be helpful, actually. Need the observer off the bulb.
Well, the first thing that came to my mind is like this.
That would also work, yeah.
I don't think so, because like, Okay, this is a photic pulse, right? I'm gonna test. I wonder if the observable double pulse. I wonder if it's an issue.
So I can just copy this.
Yeah, we are both just testing it separately. Nice.
Yeah, it's not 6 game ticks apart. What is going on here? I think it would probably work if we did what you were saying.
Wait, this does 3 pulses.
I mean, 3 pulses is fine.
I think though, I wonder if it will like keep the repeater in cooldown. I think it does work though.
What the hell? Why does this not work? Oh,
Yo,
because
Lukeem, what are you guys building?
is why.
It's a sick word. I was just showing it off. We're not building.
Sick far.
Do you wanna just do for the repeater going into or a Tutic repeater going into the bulb? The Blumen lamp.
We could do that, yeah. I mean, that's the
Like-
easiest way to do it. Just, we need to add a whole bunch of delay.
Let's see.
That
This is
will
what
definitely.
we can do. So that's 2 ticks.
Yeah,
And then the other 2 is gonna just be a repeater here. Yeah, I did that. But what is it? Oh, shit. Okay, this needs 2 more. Dude. Wait. Does a repeater work though? Like if two observers don't work, does a repeater work?
A repeater does work, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why the 2 observers doesn't work, to be very honest. This will produce
Okay.
an big pulse, yeah.
Another idea though, we don't need to keep the lamp on continuously, do we? We can like do a bypass signal. Heck. What about
I mean, we
this?
could just, if we're sending 2 signals, this is going to be a no block, right?
Okay, yeah.
Doesn't need to be a
Well, that's
lamp.
not enough. Yeah.
Yeah, that would work.
Wait.
Oh, yo.
So bottom is 14. This is 14 without the not block.
I mean, we can get rid of some of these 6 game take repeaters.
Yeah, if you think that's nicer.
I kind of do. I don't know why, but.
Okay. That's fair, that's fair.
2, 4, 6, 8. Continue.
Yo, is this the final test for real this time?
For real this time? Oh my god. Let's see. Can I not grab that box? There we go.
Wait, what? Denator, quick question.
Yep.
Why is this a door?
Well, because it's powered from below with this repeater.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Cleared out everything. Let's try this. Or it's in the wrong state? Question mark.
Well, it's good now. You can press it now.
There we go. That worked.
Wait, what?
So, it only breaks when it starts sorting?
Yes, if you put something into it, or if you have interacted with the box, and then you press start inputting.
Yeah, it's true.
So did it work or not? I was like,
I think it worked. Yeah, I mean all the box stuff did, and the cut reset.
oh,
Well,
I think I just. Oh, nice. That was just a code. But it is sugar at that time.
What if you
I have-
put items in it so that it's like full, but you can't put enough items, but it's not actually full. It's like mixed, but you don't want to sort. It's kind of an issue, no?
Wait, what is?
Like let's say you had like one of each, like 27 unique items in the box, but you wanted to put more of them. Like it's not full. Yeah, like this.
Yeah,
But you don't want to sort, but you want to input more stuff. You just kind of can't.
this
I don't
is
know,
true.
press the not block and get another box and put into the other box.
Yeah, that's why I was questioning that you can only break the box while it's like start sorting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If there's nothing else in the mixed box chest right now, then it will buffer the box instead of starting sorting. So the start sorting technically works as a box break if there's nothing in the mixed box chest.
I mean, can't you just, if you really want to add another node block here to connect it to the piston?
Kind of crunch.
You could, but I
It
don't.
ruins the clean UI.
Yeah, I don't want to use that. We could put a note block here, like in the original,
That would be pretty cool.
or we
Yeah.
could set it up. Put in the broke box. Yeah,
Here would
that's
be
what we
easier,
done.
no? Here.
Yeah, that's what it does, data. Yeah, so you could put the note block here or here.
Is there any point in putting it into the
honestly,
chest because
like,
you're sorting it anyway?
What do you mean?
Like, what's the point of putting it in the chest if you're sorting it?
It's just like an extra level of confirmation.
Yeah, every
Go ahead. I don't know. I like having it be like a single note block that you click, and then if there's something in the box, it breaks the box, and if you click it again, then it starts sorting. That's like my preferred thing, but
yeah, I mean realistically, how much loose items do you have?
that's the other thing is like people use boxes.
Yeah.
I
Like you say.
made it for that, to be honest. It's my token input. It's kind of a pain in the ass, actually.
Another thing, do we want to spam proof this? Do we want to try to spam proof?
It's if there's anything in the shulker box, it breaks the shulker box, and if there's nothing in the shulker box, then it tries to start sorting. This is the input that does that over here. If you're curious. Yeah, exactly. So in this case, it would have to look different.
I mean, yeah, but we are
This is
accepting that.
different input.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, right now, like I said, I think it is kind of actually a feature that if there's nothing in here and you break the box, it like just buffers instead. I think that's kind of nice.
That's pretty cool.
Alright.
Is it spam proof?
Not
Probably
yet.
not, yeah.
When you
So-
do, can I spam it to check? When you finish the spam proofing?
Sure. How would we
Oh,
spam
we
proof though?
finish definitely. But not actually sure how we would do it. Because, okay, my main concern, like, for these chest inputs, you really don't care. But this person is what matters.
Yeah. I mean, I'll make a copy of it and we can just try and spam it and see what happens. So I know what we need to
It will, like, if you spam it hard enough, it will definitely break. Because
Yeah, I'm fairly
you can
confident that it
get
will.
it coded in the wrong state.
Wait, so I can spam it?
It is not spam proof.
No, the new version for spam proof.
There is no new version.
We're just trying to see what happens
Oh,
so we know what we need to fix if you spam it.
It has to be done with the box input also. Yeah. All the big
They're
names.
their deal apparently, yeah. Kind of funny to see them show up. Cool.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
what?
okay.
So I can spam now?
Yeah.
But like, yeah, how would we even approach this?
I also don't know how this pause input no block is gonna work. I don't know if there's any way to make that work.
Well, okay. You see these, like these hoppers that are pulling from the chests. If you lock them by force, that pauses it.
This is true. So you just have a toggle that goes into locking those?
Yep.
And how are we, like, I don't know how that's gonna fit. Like, there's no way.
Okay. You see though, these clocks absolutely do not have to be like this. Like, this is because this is the nicest way to wire them. But there is a lot of room to wire the clocks. There's a lot of things that we could change about them. And then I'm thinking we could do an individual toggle for each one as well. Like, when it comes to it, we'll figure something out. The actual thing on the agenda is spam proofing.
Yeah.
I'm not really looking forward to that.
I'm trying to see if I can burn these torches out. That torch out by spamming this.
Torch burnout though, nobody cares
Wait,
about. Like,
look,
what,
look,
you
look.
cannot have a hopper unlocked for 7 seconds.
Jesus.
Is that your definition of issue?
Yeah, it will burn out.
The actual
And-
issue, the issue is the box.
The actual problem is with our CUD.
Is it?
Probably. I mean, we'll have to put items in the box, or at least interact with the box to see what happens. But I don't
If it's
know.
flooded and you spam it, then it will most likely break. It just broke it. Wait. Okay.
It seemed
You
to
could
work,
spam it.
actually.
Yes, that worked. Like, you gave up early. If you spammed it for longer, it would have broken.
Alright, you watch. I'll spam.
Bro, you click so slow.
I do click so slow.
The code doesn't even activate, dude. It just constantly blocked. Yeah, it is.
Look.
But what the fuck is not broken?
Alright.
I spammed it very fast before that. Oh no,
Go
maybe
for
it
it.
broke.
Yeah.
It fixed
Try and-
itself. Even no matter what it did, it fixed itself.
Try and spam it.
Try
Yeah,
spam it?
now.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, it's definitely spamming. It's
Yeah,
spamming hard.
now it's breaking. Yeah. And it's in the wrong state as well.
Yeah, okay, yeah, you got this. Oh, no, the code is broken. Yeah, here we go.
I mean, one thing that we could maybe do is, like, if we made it so that this piston locks itself down when you're clicking it a whole bunch, that would make it spam proof.
No. You remember the code. The code is an issue. Because the code.
Oh,
it
yeah.
powers itself.
You're right.
And then
Well,
if
the
you
CUD,
activate
the CUD's
it
broken
again,
right now anyways. So,
what is that supposed to mean? Like, if it's broken, what, it can't get more broken?
no, I'm saying that, like, it already broke just spamming it in our current state. So we gotta change something, is all I'm saying.
Okay. The thing with the piston, and the reason why I did not go for piston locking earlier.
Yep. Yeah.
The
No, I
cut-
do
the cut-
understand that.
You do.
Yes, I do understand that. It's because it will lock the cut on, and that's a
Yes.
problem for a
And
variety.
even if you update the piston, so like, if the cut is on, it powers the piston. And I was thinking you can update the piston, but then like, it will push up and reset itself. But then after that, the observer is in the wrong state. So
Yeah,
you would have to potentially mute it again. And then if you're muting, like, okay, there's just going to be a window of time where that piston at the top is going to be able to extend. And if you give it any window to extend, then there is a chance somebody would click in that moment.
yeah.
Like,
Well,
we
I
just
think
cannot rely on the circuit to handle it, though. We have to filter the pulses.
Yo,
So
people,
you
I'm
give
gonna
it
go. Goodbye, everyone. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
I mean, my initial thought, I think this probably falls prey to what you're talking about, but maybe not. Which is that basically you push this piston down, and then whenever this stops, it has a falling edge off of it, which updates the bottom piston, and then triggers all of this circuit.
That is
So you
exactly
use
what
a
I was
falling-
saying. Well,
Yeah,
you
but that means
have
that
a window of time.
every single time someone pushes it, it will always perfectly reset.
Unless somebody pushes it in the time when the card is trying to reset. You just can't rely on the circuit because... Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if we want to, we can just filter the pulses, like make this a latch or something off of the input.
Yes. You know what to me seems like the nicest way of doing it? To do it like a latch? Is to use another card.
Oh my god.
It's like a bot though. It's very easy to work with. So all of these inputs, I think there are ones that I use like node block bots. Basil's is like bajillion IQ. It uses a node block bot. I think Skizzy's was something like that.
Oh wait, I think
But
I
right.
see that.
A card is much simpler to work with though.
Does anyone have the note block bud thing?
Basil.
I
This
might be able to.
over
Yeah.
here. Over here, it's dust redirection. Okay. But yeah, card is going to be nicer to work with. I'm just saying though, this is like a thought that crossed my mind.
I mean, we can use a bud. It's true. The problem is just that this little torch wiring. Anything that we want to do here, we gotta.
What is this? Who made this?
This is Basil's silly button.
Basil
That
is
is-
something
That
else.
is a mega silly button. Yeah.
Okay, but which one is like the version that we're working on?
It's this one. This is I just put that one over there so we could spam test it.
Yep.
Um,
Same. Something that I thought about is this dispenser powering. So if you want to do anything with an out block, we probably need the space. And then
Yep. That's what I was.
there's a
That's
good chance that the storage can just be made from the other side. Yeah.
I mean, my thought is that we could just make this a bud, like a normal bud switch, not even like a
So
special
the
bud
node block or what?
Yeah, so you use the node block to update a bud dropper,
Oh,
and
sure.
then
Go ahead.
you just rebud it, and then it can't do anything
You just
until
have to make sure that it activates on one edge.
yeah.
Oh,
Which
you mean
is
it like a toggle, but like a fine toggle? If it's a toggle, if it doesn't have an intended state, and then, well, you get what I mean.
I don't know. I haven't thought that far ahead of it. I'm just
If it's a toggle, it's
just
chill.
spitballing.
Okay, one thing I would say though, this is a simple option, but like, personally, I wouldn't want a shortcut for simplicity or less rewiring if it's not as nice. If there is something nicer that we can do, we should go for it.
I think I'm focusing on putting it in footprint right now because I think that's gonna be hard enough.
I believe in ourselves. We can fit it in footprint.
Yeah, sure. I can believe in us. That's fair. I'll believe in us. um,
I changed this wiring a bit now. I don't know if that's... That removes a tiny bit of delay. Like this can just... too bad.
okay, so the thought would be this is like default on or default off. I don't really know which. Then it's probably easier to do default off.
It is nicer because what you can do, you can have it as a dispenser and you can detect.
Yeah. That makes sense. You probably.
Although I didn't. Go ahead.
It's not really a lot of space here. Yeah, okay. Now this does make sense. And then we just need to find a way to hard power that. Not hard power, but it. Which is a lot harder than you would think.
Yep. Yeah, that's why a dropper is not really my pick. Now a piston, I could get
You
down
can
from a
put it
piston.
so. Yeah. I mean, we could do a slider of the piston. The problem is that pistons like update themselves, which can be useful, I guess, in this setting, but also this is going to go to the moon so quickly. Did you have a piston setting or setup in mind?
I don't know.
What are you guys having trouble with?
We're trying to figure out how to basically spam proof this input.
This one?
Yeah, and so we're trying to figure out how to make the input like this no block only produce one pulse no matter how many times you click it.
Okay.
Some sort of just to get this out of the way, some sort of dust bud. Probably it's not the way. In case somebody was thinking that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not gonna fit.
I kind of want to just like, I don't know. I wish this worked. If we're okay extending the piston like this would probably be a pretty easy way to do it, actually.
Yeah.
Hey, how would you reset it? Oh wait, actually no, I see it.
You just need to update it.
I found the piston.
Yeah. The problem is that goes out of footprint. Is the kind of the annoying. But we could technically put it if we moved all of that wire, we could put it here.
There's a low chance that we can.
But
what
don't
was
you need that
like
that rail
the
over
wrong
here?
state because the idea it's like it's off by default. So what you would want to
Yeah, we
depower.
have it on hard power. Or we could move that and we could do it like this.
And
then I go the UI, which is a little ugly, but
Man,
is that
torch priming is so annoying in this for no reason at all.
Maybe like I'm not sure if you can do this one. Like, what are you guys going with?
I know you guys already kind of said it, but this can't fit, right? Something like this.
No.
What would that do though?
I don't know. Maybe like something like power it or something.
I mean, this is an interesting. I do actually like this, but let's see.
We
Yeah,
need
I
to
don't think it
free
could
up
fit
space.
though.
We
Yeah,
can
I
free up
think.
space. We can fix it. We can free up space.
Oh boy. Oh, I have a ooh. I have a suggestion. What if we just make we make the instead of a note block we put an observer.
What does that do?
So it could trigger like a slider instead of like this. What's any observer? Like
I mean,
instead
if
of
we
this
wanted to
block.
do that, we could just do this and then trigger a slider like that.
This was an observer. You need to make. Oh wait, if you have a slider here, then that kind of works. That kind of works.
Yeah.
And you,
But we still have to make it fit, and I am not confident in
I'm
my ability
skeptical as fuck. I am
to wire.
skeptical that this works.
Yes.
Because we need to lock this hopper is the biggest
Yep.
issue.
That's true. That is.
Ugh.
I mean, we could maybe lock it. No, not really. We could lock it from below if we changed this setup, but
It's like goofy. You're not gonna have powdered snow. You could face the dropper to the side, and if you use powdered snow, that will contain it, but that is also goofy. Like, I don't know.
Isn't hold on. Isn't there supposed to be like a rail here or something?
like, can't we actually do this? Like, we could put the slider here.
I thought about that, but the note block is going to double pulse. You would have to prime it.
You
You can't really do that in footprint.
I don't see. Like, can't we just do this?
Although, if what you're detecting for is the slider activation.
No, so that's not what I'm doing here. So here, I'm just saying, like, whenever this gets an input,
It does that. And also, on the
That is
resetting,
true, yeah.
you're not muting it on the resetting. And
Can't
you
you
cannot
just-
mute it.
we could mute that. I mean, muting it on the reset is possible, I guess. It's just a little annoying.
It's gonna mess up the UI.
Yeah.
Dude, you know one way you could mute it. In this space, you don't have. You can push it around again, so it moves down here. You pull it down,
Oh my god.
pull it up again. It triggers, and then you push it around.
Jesus.
That would work though, kind of.
There's a lot of things that would work, and one of these things is detecting the latch activation, because it's only going to happen once. The question is, how do we reset it?
We just do 4 game tick polls to like so they won't like pulse again or something.
That's what I was just thinking. I don't think there's a way to do that.
So, do we want to have it pulse from the bottom or from the top? I feel like either could work.
I think the reset should be in the bottom. We have a lot of more space there.
I was thinking about that too, but that's very fair. But like, it's very difficult to do it from here.
I have a question though. Isn't there like supposed to be like a scaffolding here with a rail?
Supposed to be is relative. We can rewire it.
Okay.
Man, this locking is huge pain in the ass.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, I don't know what we're supposed to. I mean, if we can like flatten this somehow, that'd be great.
Like the thing is, if you have this comparator here, there's just no way to take an output from it. You can have a solid block. Actually, you can't have a piece of dust. Okay, let us see. Can we do something with the comparator here?
Couldn't we do? If that's not a repeater, just
There's like no way of powering the person or the dropper.
power through the chest.
Where is it? If it works, it works.
The biggest issue
What?
with this.
You're gonna
What?
you like permanently pulse this through the chest?
Ugh. You gotta
I'm
do
just-
what you gotta.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Bruh.
Wait, okay, this is okay. As far as wiring goes, this is not terrible.
This is painful.
This is fine. This is actually fine.
I mean, I guess it's not
We need to-
awful.
Okay, do we care about clock dust? Because if we don't care about clock dust, this becomes even easier.
We do not care about clock dust. True.
Very nice.
Depends on how
Okay,
fast you're clocking it.
Yeah. I mean, look at this. Look. We actually have so much space now.
That is nice. This is based. The double target's kind of rough. I mean, we can technically.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, man? It's gonna be spam proof.
True.
And wait until we add the pausing.
Just wait until we somehow fit the pausing in here. Yeah.
Yep.
Wait, can we
Yep.
make this? Can we do this?
Sure. Yeah.
Is that cleaner?
It detects SST, it requires SST.
And then why does this have to be a target down here?
This doesn't require SS2.
Oh,
That would work.
oh wait, oh you're right. That's smart.
Yeah.
That's smart. I like that. Yeah. Oh, that's much nicer. But okay. Actually, if you take an output at the bottom, suddenly this becomes very easy. You know. Then there's like a big fader at the bottom or something.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, doesn't even need to be a fader as well, so that's like it's just thought that crossed my mind, but if you have it power itself, let's just imagine for a second. But this is within. Yeah. If you do it like this, because it detects itself pushing down. If you still keep it powered, so what am I saying? It's not just about the delay of powering the person, but also if the person stays powered. That like also does something. Maybe. Okay, I think I was explaining to myself more than to anybody.
See, I'm confused. Wait. Can't we? No, never mind. That doesn't work. No, it might work. We just don't use this observer as the thing that sends the signal into the system. So you can do like this, and then you just make it like a rising edge off of that going down.
Why not?
And
Ooh, I like that.
Is there a reason you don't want to use that observer?
because the observer will trigger like when it resets.
Technically, though, if you spam it at the right interval, you can mute this observer like while it's being pushed down.
But better for you, you did not trigger the input. Instead of having an input that triggers and then handles spamming, you didn't even trigger it.
Oh yeah,
would be
you're
nice.
right.
Yeah, I don't see the issue with muting the, or I mean, I don't see the issue with using the observer for activation.
The only thing is just like, again, this piston will trigger it again.
What do you mean?
So
You
like
keep this
if you,
extended for longer. You do that.
oh, okay, sure. That is, yeah, okay, that's fine. I'm silly.
Okay. So this is. I mean,
This is good. Yeah.
honestly, I dare say this is relatively simple actually for what it is. And okay, before we jump into anything else, let us consider the old pausing. How would we do it? Because, okay, priming this dust is also going to be slightly annoying. I don't see how we would do that without going underneath.
You can go above, right?
No, this is like your observer muting territory.
Okay, actually,
Oh,
I did
listen,
have a
listen.
question. I don't know if we even need to mute the observer as it is right now. I think we're just canceling a pulse,
Which observer are you talking?
like the on the reset. Is this
Yes, it needs to mute.
piston? Okay, it does. All right.
No, unless you wanna mute unless you wanna mute it, or I mean, unless you wanna cancel the pulse externally. But
That's
after
kind
a
of what I
lot of
was
stuff happens,
thinking.
you need to push the piston down,
Yeah.
and I don't think it's going to be any nice to cancel these signals like something else. I mean,
Yeah, I think you're right. We also need the CUD to reset. Like we need the CUD to reset. So if the CUD gets triggered, that piston needs to extend. So we can't actually cancel it.
Look at this. Just here for a second. Look up here. Like, this is not bad in the slightest. But we also there's
That
also
actually
hopper
wasn't
locking.
bad. No.
There's also hopper locking at the bottom. It's going to activate again. And
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
here's
And
what
we need this
could go.
piston.
We could go. That's a feature. We could remove all of this because like it's gonna activate once normally. It's gonna activate for the second time when it resets.
See you looking.
You just gotta expect that the player doesn't put any items in there. So I think it's like it's kind of. I don't know. Okay, I see the idea. It is doable. I don't know if it's worth it because to me, like this works so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I just don't see the benefit of it, but it is
I kind of
definitely an
agree.
idea. And it would actually be very handy if we did find a nice way of implementing it.
I think we just go with this for now. I think we're missing. Okay, so
Look at this. You got your piston. Let me stop. Oh, almost. Almost this is good. Because you would be able to prime it from here. Like lock it. But there's no output at the bottom. Now if you were to do a different sort of lock at the top, it would have worked probably. Yeah. There's potential here. There is a lot of potential.
this is interesting.
Dude. You know the slash thing which we did for the spawn proofing on the node block? We could take it one for one, put it next to here, and it works just as well. We could do like a whole slider here.
Like here?
So maybe, yeah. Why not?
It would have to be here because it would get powered by this getting pushed up.
No, nobody cares. Yeah, I mean, of course.
Yeah, we can. That's easy to fix.
Yeah, there's potential here. There's potential to explore.
Potential.
And then, what would the benefit of the slider be exactly?
This is the same. This is canceling the pulse. This is what you suggested. This removes the need for observer priming.
Oh, yeah. What? I mean, that's just like, yeah, that's just making that a latch of any kind, though, right?
Yeah.
Well, we don't have space for many other kinds of latches. And then we'd also need to figure out how to and when to reset this slider.
True. That is true.
But I mean, we just need more space. So if there was some way to make this latch and then reset it, like at the end of everything, which we could probably just take the same, like this, that's the whole point of this thing, right? Like the priming, this is just a reset of a latch too. So we just need to move this signal somewhere else, which would be really, really useful because this space is nice.
So, trying to experiment with ideas now. How do I make this clear? Let's say this is your observer input. I wish you were able to do stuff with this comparator. So right now, this space is occupied, but you would be able to do it otherwise. I think we can redo the locking for this hopper in a similar way that we did on the other side, and that would just unlock us more space.
We do the lock on the side. I'm trying to think. I think one of the things that I would be nice to get rid of is this priming as well, because these lines are taking up a big chunk of space.
True. Okay, I'm just gonna. We have a copy on the other side.
Yeah.
And would you look at this? Provided that the unlocking for this guy, that we move it somehow. I don't actually know how. I think I'm gonna like stumble into having to prime this torch now. But we can have a repeater inside of there. And then if this is a piece of dust, if this torch is moved somewhere down here.
Oh, that'd be really easy.
Yeah. Like something this.
We can do this.
Oh yeah. And then target.
Yeah, target will work, yeah. That is... That's fine, right? Yeah, that's fine.
It's fine. Oh yeah, if it's SS1, it doesn't do anything.
Yeah.
And also, I think even if it did, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. And then this is pretty easy to deal with. I was even thinking we can technically do this. And that
that's
means
good. I like that a lot.
That helps quite a bit. Because it means this can be a 2 gamstick pulse.
Oh, hell yeah. This is nice.
So, that will be good.
Look at this now. We take a dropper, and this dropper is automatically silenced. I love this. You know, so it's like the same sort of satisfaction when you can silence 2 droppers with 1 notebook.
Yep. Yeah. It's just having the no redundant composters. Let's see.
Okay. This requires a lot of delay here. But yeah. Yeah, we can make this work. Oh wait, look at this. This observer snake, all of that. It's just gone now.
Exactly.
Just don't need that.
The priming was really rough, honestly. It was still making us do a lot of work.
Okay. I don't even wanna. I don't want to commit to wearing anything here, just because we have so much flexibility now. We can decide wherever this goes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is great. And we should use this to see where else we can make some improvements.
We can indeed. Willie, you still there?
Yes, I am.
How's it going?
Good, good.
Where is our boundary on the bottom? Oh, this is like the old locking for the output. The toggle.
Oh my god. Yeah, I mean this is the bottom layer here. As
Well,
of
that's
right now.
not. Also, we don't have a nice status output for when it's locked or not, or paused.
What is this? Oh, this torches the pulse. Yeesh.
Yeah.
I
You have
see.
no idea if the output is paused or not. You
What
could like
does
press
goes for 10.204? Do you know?
What was that?
Scholarship.
Voxing, the mod.
Oh, I know nothing about it, unfortunately.
Oh yeah, I have weapon. I don't even know what that is.
It's a mini-map mod.
Oh,
no.
voxel map. Wait.
Voxing. The one that renders client side all map.
I have no idea. Unless you're
Yeah.
talking about Voxel. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. There you go.
I had an idea. So what if pause is like a one-way thing? So like you press it, and that's it, and then it's like a latch, and the other input is start input, right? Okay, it's goofy. I know.
Wait. What?
The pause is a latch. So this is like start pause, and then to end pause.
Oh, you start
press
the input again?
Yes. If there are items, it will start automatically. Otherwise, it will just reset. So there's still not a clear indication, but it's there.
I mean, I just added another toggle with another copper bulb to indicate that it's paused here.
Yeah, that's you said that's very ugly. Like technically speaking. Dude, you know what I would do? Like, if we don't want to run the UI, I still have it. Look at this genius idea.
Oh
You go up here. Well, actually, yeah. You can look through this gap. Look at this. You can just see it from here. Well, you would be able if you. Yeah, I can see the ball from here.
You can
I can even see
see the
it
bulb. That's true. Yeah, that's that is an
Right.
option.
Yeah, but like, what more do you need though?
I mean, we might as well just put it at the back and tell the player to free cam there.
That's true. It's a great call.
All right, Willie, what's the vision for this pause feature? It was your kind of a baby. So what's up with it? What do you want to see happen?
Yeah, so the pause feature is just like during the, let's say you start inputting and you're like, holy crap, I made a mistake. You one of those moments where you instantly realize it, but right after you started it. So you hit pause, and then it just locks all of these hoppers.
Yeah. The question is, when do you unlock it and how do you unlock it? Is it the same note block?
Yeah, pause is a toggle.
Okay.
It's not useful, however, in the input.
It's not useful in the input, I agree. It's more for like if you want to pause like the splitter. So like that's kind of what I had in mind for this is you
So
would
the thing
pause
is,
like
this doesn't support external input very nicely, but we can add it. We can work on that. Yeah,
So, okay,
this
so you
doable.
want pause to be a toggle where you click the note block once, click it again, resets, and then you also want it to pause other things. To be a global pause.
Other things can pause it. If the
Oh.
splitter is overflowing, it prevents you from inputting more boxes into the splitter, etc.
Okay.
yeah.
It's actually okay. I think it's not terrible if you subtract from the comparator like this.
Wait, we can just use my latch if you want. I guess it's a toggle though. Sad.
Yeah. Right. Self promo. This needs to be a toggle though.
I know. I hate toggles though.
But this is a toggle that's like connected to the UI.
Yeah, it's a player toggle,
Yes.
but it's
But
also
not on a bulb.
if we are talking about it being accessed by the rest of the system though, isn't it better that it's not a toggle?
The toggle is not accessed though.
Like a lever, you mean?
See what I'm proposing here? You can override the toggle. The system doesn't actually toggle anything. The system overrides it here. You see this?
Oh yeah. That's fair. That's fair. Okay. Sure.
Right.
And
So
how
now
are we walking this other hopper?
there's this like thing which I remove.
Oh yeah, wouldn't it just be better just to move this?
And we still need to prime, so like this was the idea. I'm gonna remove this real quick. This was the idea with like priming this guy. I don't think it really holds up anymore. I don't know. I think we have to prime from the bottom. Or do we?
What do we need to prime?
Wait. We have an extra block of space here. Oh, this is doable. You can intersect them.
I mean that can be an observer. This can be.
That's even nicer, dude. That's so nice.
Yeah, that's why I thought the repeater would be a nice addition. So we just needed two.
Okay, there is one thing to point out. This gets powered by the CUD. The CUD unlocks it.
Yeah, because of the repeater. Does that matter?
It's going to start inputting when you don't want to. That's how I see it.
Oh yeah, it would. You're right. You're very correct.
Do we have another go at a piece of dust here? I think it might work.
I think it would too. Yeah.
The issue was that the card was triggering and it was locking the hopper, but I don't know because the comparator takes 2 ticks to activate. Like after
the card can't trigger until the box has already been broken.
What was that?
So the CUD can't trigger at the wrong time until the box has already been broken.
Yeah.
And it's already been picked up by the hopper because it's precision. So it shouldn't be able to fuck with anything.
Okay. Yeah, and if this is an observer, that makes it very nice. I know, I even wanna... Okay, I don't think there's a better place for it. But that is very nice. That's quite what we're doing here. Okay.
Making good progress.
Yo, real quick, we are about to hit the 3-hour and 30-minute mark. Do we want to wrap this up somewhat soon?
Do we?
Yeah. I mean, I need to eat as well.
Yeah.
But we've made really good progress. We completed a V1, or V0, I guess more accurately. We also can just stop the recording and then come back for another session and like either next weekend or I guess next weekend I want to do something with Eco's stuff though. with
With what?
With the unstack stuff.
yeah, with the copper boolean based unstack sorting encoding. Wait, you're still good for that, right, Ego?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not gonna work on that version though. That's on Soontak.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, we'll have to do that on. We can do that on the storage catalog instance, though.
Yeah, it's like 2111, right?
Yeah. Man, copper golem's fucking pain in the ass. Like
Yeah,
different version.
they're like so ass.
It's very sad. I mean, that's just a really cool application of them, though. Like, it's like one of the things they're actually useful for.
No, like looking at the code and like why it actually does that is because it just sets the inventory value like no matter what. It just sets it to be the exact same thing
Oh,
if it can't input it, so it still does the update because of that.
that's funny. Yeah, definitely not intended behavior. Um, poor Mojang, they're just out here getting slaughtered left and right.
You know, they're trying to implement features
deserve it.
and they're awful, and then they try to not implement features and they're great. You know.
You know, he fucking abused them. Like, poor Mojang. Um, hmm. Yeah, for my sanity's sake, I'm gonna do this.
Dude, who needs sanity? What are you talking about?
Oh my god.
So true.
Sanity is for the weak, the feeble.
No.
Mm.
Right. Well, yeah, we've done this thing to best. I don't even know what to work on now.
Yeah, my brain is kind of stalling. Is one of the reasons why I was saying I gotta eat something. Oh, we got a clock going on.
Where is it?
I don't know. Where am I reading from? No, it stopped.
Try with the clock. Like I'm messing around here. I'm triggering all sorts of stuff. It's like throughout the entire convo, people are telling me that the input is doing stuff. Well, I'm doing stuff. I'm messing with it.
I'm fucking with everything.
And stuff, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh man. Okay. I am gonna get some food. This was very productive though. Do we want to make a post for what we have done thus far?
I think so, yeah. We had the non-spam proof version so far.
Correct, yeah.
Do we want to clean up this junk up here, or do we want to include it?
Yeah. I want to.
And that it's for excellent UI.
It's for excellent UI. I'm getting rid of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of,
making the executive call. This is going away.
Okay, do we want to at least have it like or quartz or whatever?
I don't mind. Yeah, we can leave. We can make it quartz. I don't mind this stuff on the bottom here. Like that's fine. Then I'll put. What do I want to put there? Like a.
I like the smoothing table there personally, but everyone has something different.
Fair enough. I'll put a smithing table there. If I can find the smithing table, there you are. Perfect. And then I guess I can make this quartz too. This input is lacking a lot of things still. We probably should try and find a way to get like a loose item filter in there too, like a box filter.
Well, that comes afterwards. That's like input handling.
Yeah, I don't know. I like it in the input because I want to return the loose items to the player, but
Oh, sure. What I see people do, like, I see people just send them to overflow, which, honestly, like, I am the kind of person who would think about doing a bot in mix loader or something else, but sending them to overflow makes things so much easier, and like,
Yeah,
when
it
is the
does.
point when I put stuff into there? And how much do we care if they do?
Loose items in the input doubles as a trash can.
Yo.
Yeah,
Oh,
punish
yeah.
the player, punish the player.
That is punishment, yeah. Bell of shame. Okay, is there...
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Alright, I mean, I'll just take a render of this. I mean, this is a very kind of like... It's a funky input.
Very gay. That's
Whoa.
the beauty of it, though.
That is the beauty of these group wires, definitely.
Okay, this actually not so much better than I expected it. I was like,
I-
oh yeah, I'm gonna get a reason to get back and work on my input, but okay, in part I look back at it, I remember that it's kinda trash. There's just like so much to redo. I decided to join in.
Fair enough. I mean, inputs are... They seem simple, and then you start wiring one.
Yeah, they're very deceptive. I remember when I first got into Storage Shack, and I was like, how come there's no inputs? Like, it seems like nobody's done one except for Aura and Basil.
Yeah. Spam proofing. Right, no block does nothing.
Include excellent UI in the thing, I beg you.
I will, I got you.
Excellent UI, true.
And, okay, I'll also make a skem of it, because why not?
It's kind of cool that that light blue ink with the glow ink has this color on signs.
Yeah, that is cool. It's like a gray blue.
Yeah.
Right. Which color is this?
This is light blue.
Huh. Oh, that's goofy.
What should I group wire input? I guess I can do V0 too. And then are there other I guess I can include some other renders. Meter. Who else? Jack? Yeah, that dude. I mean, I'm just thanking everyone who's kind of showed up in the call. Ego.
Data and Crane.
Yeah, I'll ping them both.
Just
Yeah.
name
yeah.
dropping, dude. Really?
I
Oh,
mean,
Yep.
wow.
data did help.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh,
Comfy was here.
Demo.
Demo is
that
here.
actually that sounds like
Lucky.
just a sign somewhere. Like you see the actual credits and Comfy was here.
I was just doing fuck out there. What the fuck?
I know. I'm just putting everyone who was here. Crane didn't help either, but I'm pinging him
Yeah.
because I'm
They just
annoying.
what were they doing? They were doing the scotter stuff.
Yeah, I have no idea. Who are the other randoms that typically see?
Mr. EBL.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I can't think of anyone else.
Yeah. Okay. So I have Denator, Willie, Dat Nerd, Jack, Ego, Crane, Comfy, Demo, Giannis, and EBL.
Yourself. Fuck
Of
yourself.
course. And Tiz. There we go. Things for everybody.
Yay. Good work, everybody.
And we can definitely come back to this at some point.
I didn't did anything important, however, for the input.
I know.
I was just chilling.
Humpy didn't, Crane didn't.
Okay, I just wanted to be clear.
Yeah. That's why I said all the work and good vibes. EBL also didn't really help. So he spam clicked the no block for us, I guess.
Oh, I also did that. Okay.
It's
Yeah.
Hell
Okay,
yeah.
that's
Alright. Lunch break.
yes, lunch break indeed.